Guys, it's that time of the month. The time of the month that we all wait for.
Like all
with
36
bated
of
breath.
you wait for.
That with bated breath, because it is the time of the month where we give away free tickets to movies. What movies are releasing this week?
Bro, this week the Taj story, bro.
Yeah, the most
it's
look forward
the most
to
look
movie.
forward to. Bro, मैंने 21 का trailer देखा.
I've heard great things.
कैसा लगा?
I mean, to watch it.
Bro, Augusta is actually one of those star kids that I'm looking forward to.
भाई तू कर देना nepotism वाली बात. Starting in you.
No, but it's Sriram Raghavan, so I'm
Shriram
also-
Raghavan,
Yeah.
Augusta,
Oh,
yes.
then,
Augusta Nanda.
शाहरुख की
चलेगा
सारी
नेपो।
मूवीज री रिलीज हुई हैं बहुत सारी.
हाँ, मैं देवदास देखने जा रहा हूँ.
correct.
I really like देवदास.
Chalo. So guys, we have our 2 tiers of membership.
फटाफट एक्सप्लेन कर दूं.
हाँ, तू फटाफट तेरा मेरे को पता है भाई. तेरा कभी फटाफट नहीं होगा.
हमने एक नई चीज भी तो इंट्रोड्यूस करी
क्या
है
नई
जो हम लोग स्पेशल एपिसोड्स डाल रहे हैं वो भी तो बताने हैं.
Let's do it, Shlin.
Yes.
Explain them.
Yes, so we have 2 tiers of memberships. One is caramel, one is salted. आप उसमें से कुछ भी चूज कर सकते हो. उसमें
Salted is the lesser one.
लेसर वन कैरमल क्योंकि कुछ मीठा हो जाए. नंदनी. एनीवे तो वो 2 टियर्स हैं और मेंबर्स के लिए कुछ पर्क्स जो हैं वो धीरे धीरे हम लोग इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. 1 महीना पहले हमने जो इंट्रोड्यूस किया था दैट वाज फ्री मूवी टिकट्स. कैरमल पॉपकॉर्न टियर वालों को 2 मूवी टिकट्स फ्री मिलती हैं एंड हम उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं अगर वो चाहें तो वो जो भी मूवी वो देखने गए हैं उसका 60 सेकंड रिव्यू हमें भेज सकते हैं रिकॉर्ड करके एंड वील फीचर दैट इन दिस एपिसोड.
Please do that. Definitely.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है अगर आप लोग भेजते हो तो. सेकंड जो सॉल्टेड है उनको हम 1 मूवी टिकट फ्री में देते हैं ऑफ वट एवर मूवी दे वांट टू गो एंड हर मेंबर को हम लोग 2 एक्स्ट्रा एपिसोड्स देते हैं इन अ मंथ. तो
Members only episode.
मेंबर्स ओनली एपिसोड्स जो हैं. सो वीक 1 a new episode, week 2 a giveaway, week 3 a new episode, week 4 a giveaway. So अब तक हमने ये जो है वो इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. तो if you
The first members only episode would be
is out right
We've-
now.
We've recommended our favorite stuff, so you can watch that.
Please check out.
तो उसके अंदर भी हम लोग और नई नई सीरीज इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. जैसे अभी हमने रिकमेंडेशंस का सीरीज स्टार्ट किया है एंड देन धीरे धीरे और कुछ ऐसे एक्सटेंशंस भी होंगे इस ऐसे एपिसोड्स के जो आपको मेंबर्स ओनली एपिसोड में देखने को मिलेंगे. सो प्लीज इफ एनी ऑफ दिस फील्स
Appeals
लाइक
to
कि
you, yeah.
क्या कहते हैं
Appeals
अपील्स टू यू. मैं ऐसा कुछ उसमें जा रहा था फैंसीज यू और ये कुछ ऐसे करके.
If you fancy any of
No,
them.
you fancy all 3 of us, we know.
4 of us.
4 of us, sorry. Didn't mean to keep you out, Kirti.
बट ठीक है.
As well say, Abbas forgot to include himself.
But ठीक है, if any of this appeals to you, please do consider joining the membership. And as Antariksh said, this is that time of the month जब हम नए lucky winners choose कर रहे हैं. So पहले हम क्या
Let's
salted
go.
या caramel?
Salted tier, salted popcorn it is, and spin the wheel.
कल तक के जितने members थे हमने सारे ऐड कर दिए हैं इसके अंदर.
And
the winner is
Sumedh
Sumedh came tour, bro.
Wow, he actually came true. Nice, dude. Nice, man.
Bro,
Sumedh.
nice.
Very
Sumedhu.
cool, yeah. Sumedh. Alright, guys, we are now spinning caramel popcorn tier. Let's go.
Let's go.
Drum roll.
And the winner is...
धीरू भाई एक Manish Vaswani.
All right, Manish. Congratulations to Manish and to Sumedh for the salted tier.
Yes, and Manish for the caramel
Caramel tier. Please get in touch, guys.
Yeah.
हाँ मेरे को डीएम करने का अपन फिर तुम्हारा मूवी टिकट सॉर्ट करते हैं.
All right, and now on to the main episode. Let's go.
अगर वो मेरी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त नहीं हो सकती तो मैं कभी उससे प्यार कर ही नहीं सकता. सिंपल. प्यार दोस्ती है.
70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास
ये पूरा
इस
पॉडकास्ट सुनने के लिए.
एपिसोड को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए.
अरे वाह, nice.
अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले, बहुत सारे खराब जोक्स आने वाले हैं.
Nice. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me,
But this is the
speaking words of wisdom. Marry me. Neither of you know this.
What movie
You don't
is
know
this
this?
from?
He sang this for
Zero.
Oh, Priyanka Chopra had an award show, dude. You guys don't know this? It's the greatest song in history.
Yeah. Of course.
of
Yes,
course,
yes,
yes.
Antariksh, yes. It's
So-
on the same level
Yeah.
as this.
Also, never underestimate power of a common man. If you want a traditional Shah Rukh line, fine, guys, fine.
Kirti warned us, to be very fair.
Yeah.
No, hers was completely different.
Kirti fully warned us.
Yeah. All right, welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Antariksh Thakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Momin.
Kirti Sinha.
and today, guys, we are doing
नहीं
something
तुमने
very
टक्कर
fun.
नहीं बोला आज.
Kirti Sinha Takkar.
Thanks, Neil. Thanks for catching it. Yes. Today is a very important episode because
Yes. We're talking about the king himself.
the king himself, whose birthday has just happened, or
Will happen in 2 hours.
Like at time of recording, it's
it'll
2
happen
hours
in
away.
a
Yeah,
couple of
बीच में
hours.
हो जाएगा. High
But by the
chances.
time of release, we don't know. Maybe it was a month back.
हाँ, basically एक अंकल 60 साल के हो रहे हैं आज, तो हम उनका बर्थडे मना रहे हैं.
बर्थडे
Yes.
Nice.
सबसे अंकल डिस्क्रिप्शन था ये इस पूरे एपिसोड के बारे
Well
में.
done, well done. So yeah, big. So the reason is, the thing is, no, we decided that how do you, everyone will analyze the Shah Rukh Khan best movies.
हाँ.
Okay, everyone will do that, give that top tier list. We don't want to do that regular shit. We don't do.
हम worst movies बता रहे
Yeah. Yes. Which is the worst Shah Rukh movie?
मेरे को नहीं पता था ये एपिसोड है.
हैं. अब ये तुम्हारे लिए गूगली है. बताओ कीर्ति. What's the worst शाहरुख film कीर्ति according to you?
Don't say from
This
2010s.
answer, this answer you'll never get from me.
क्या बात
Get
कर
it from
रही
my
हो?
dead
अच्छा,
body.
what's your least favorite शाहरुख film?
I have one.
I have many actually. Zero was horrible.
Oh, I have like Hum Tumhare Hain Sanam is pretty bad.
What? It's good. It's great.
भाई तुम लोगों ने चाहत देखी है? चाहत.
नहीं यार.
नहीं भाई.
नहीं
हाँ, वो बहुत घटिया पिक्चर है.
अच्छा.
महेश भट्ट की बनाई हुई है.
चाहते हुए भी.
And Guddu, if you have
Guddu,
not
yeah,
seen.
Guddu,
I have
Guddu
not
I
seen that.
watched.
Guddu is the, like cult status मिल गया because it's so bad that it's good.
Oh.
And he says
But किसी ने देखी है?
and he says that there's only one film that he ever did for money and money only. He says कि मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगा, but the consensus is that it is
Guddu.
Guddu.
हाँ.
ऐसा?
I hope he was paid well for it.
Yeah.
I also hate जब Harry met Sejal.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it was very bad.
Very bad.
Yeah.
I mean, see, you'll understand why I don't want to badmouth. Harry met Sejal.
Sorry.
Yeah,
It is
maybe you should
forgotten.
explain the format of this episode.
ताकि कीर्ति को पता हो.
Yeah, correct.
Self sabotage ना करे वो.
Defend करने लायक चीज remotely भी ना हो तो कैसे defend करेगा?
Correct. So the way we are going about this
Are you
episode,
sure you brought her to help you? Or
yeah, I'm
to
trying
like
my best.
seek you
Yes.
for-
It's point counterpoint. That's how it is. How we're doing this
अबे
is
तू मेरी तरफ है तरफ है कि उसकी तरफ है?
पता है-
मैं तो
भाई-
आपकी तरफ हूँ.
वो बेचारा 4 बार.
10 बार से बोल चुका हूँ यार. Alright, so how are we gonna do this episode
Yeah.
if nobody interrupts me now finally?
But
is,
एक से
guys, तुम तीनों कर लो ये episode, ठीक है?
The thing is कि आप उसको कुछ कह भी नहीं सकते ना भाई.
हाँ,
हम दोनों को
correct.
तो आप कुछ कह भी
निकलो
सकते.
यहाँ से. How we're gonna do this episode is each of us has been assigned a decade. Okay, Snehal is gonna defend the 90s. That's his favorite decade of Shah Rukh Khan's movies. It's debatable.
Defend तो नहीं, we're making a case of why
Abbas-
that decade was the best one. for
Yeah,
him.
yeah. So basically, we want to understand which is Shah Rukh's greatest decade.
Decade, yeah.
So you, Snail has the 90s, Abbas has the 2000s, that is 2000 2009.
Yeah.
I have the 2010s. We have the 2010s, 2010 to 2019.
Yeah.
How is
And
it that
beyond.
both of you have 2010?
Oh, see, the thing is,
Because it was such a bad,
Objectively-
such a bad decade that Antariksha
Yeah.
was like, I need backup. guys."
objectively speaking, yeah,
Yeah.
it's a tough to defend decade.
नहीं,
Fair.
इतना varied है, इतना वहाँ पे nuance है.
Varied,
दो
yeah.
लोग लगते हैं उसको
हाँ,
explain
हाँ.
करने
Also,
के
you're
लिए, deep
technically
dive करने के
taking 15 years
Yeah.
to 2010
लिए.
to
But उसने 4 साल का
2025.
break लिया था
हाँ,
बीच में,
exactly,
तो
doesn't really count.
we cannot
Okay,
correct.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's better than the way Snehal suggested. Let's be honest.
Hey, एक second.
Okay,
that
let's
made
have full
more sense.
disclosure before we begin.
ठीक है.
Getting
see,
this. Snehal was suggesting that we go, oh, because Shah Rukh's debut was in 92, was it?
Yeah.
So we go 92 to 2002. That's not how you count decades.
अबे
of cinema.
decade का क्या मतलब होता है?
10 साल. But you
92
do
से 10
90s.
साल कितने हुए?
Now,
Shut the fuck up.
now, what am I to do? What am I to do if he didn't act in 1990,
अरे but now the
1991?
thing is कि now I am left with 8 films. Sorry, 8
8
years.
years.
But,
8
oh, but
years.
You'll
of the
still have the
greatest
most
films.
I know.
What are you
I know.
Why are you
about?
saying greatest? No, greatest
like-
is in my decade.
Why?
Critically,
Within 25 minutes, I am going to have these two people defending 90s.
Oh, you'll see, dude. You'll see. You'll be surprised. Before we start off, anyone, any opening statements or anything you want to say?
No, people anyway think that he pays us to do his PR.
This is
So I'm
different.
totally going to double in on that and say that whether you like him or not, he is the most impactful figure in Hindi cinema in the last 30 years.
Oh, yeah.
And I think he's still yet to make some really big movies in the future. So it is what it is. I think objectively he's the most successful Khan of the three. I know
Khan,
it's a-
bhai, he's one of the guy. He's the most successful
Successful
actor
actor
of
in
in the
history.
industry right now.
Yeah, but even
he's the first Bollywood billionaire.
You tell him, Snehal. That's it, man. Typical.
ठीक है.
All right.
Yeah.
The thing is, I do have a prepared statement. Sorry, Keith.
Oh fuck.
अच्छा okay.
भाई lawyer shit चल रहा है क्या
Guys,
इधर?
I have a very awesome prepared statement. This is the reason why I will win this episode.
Okay.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay, why we will win this episode. Okay, I keep forgetting she's in my team. Just decided to end it. Okay, so this is ये मेरा opening
दीवान, अच्छा.
statement है.
Oh ऐसे हाँ तो मेरे पास भी है but you go
ठीक है.
ahead. Shouldn't our opening statements be
मेरे पास है ही नहीं, बोलो आप बोलो.
ये उस
नहीं, ठीक
एरा
है.
के लिए है हमारे एरा के
हमारे
लिए
era
है.
के लिए.
अच्छा बट तुम पहले मेरे से पूछो ना कि मेरा
अपने
क्या
client
thought
से
है.
consult
So
किया
guys,
नहीं
that's how their marriage is going.
नहीं, I also want to say something about Shahrukh.
Okay, yeah,
you
go
didn't
ahead.
ask me.
Yeah, but I can also say my piece before you can. But you go ahead. No, it's fine.
But तुम अच्छा.
No, go ahead. Now it's fine.
Please बोलो बोलो.
No, no,
You see,
no,
that's
no.
why people love you on the episode.
Yeah,
Please.
correct.
No,
थोड़ी और लिया
you
करो
were
इसकी.
starting for the decade. That's why I said. But I love Shahrukh since forever. इतना ज़्यादा प्यार मतलब कोई किसी से नहीं
अंतरिक्ष
कर
से भी नहीं
सकता.
करती हाँ.
Impossible.
और I want to.
She didn't say no by the way. She's
Right.
like,
Yeah, she knows, man. Of course. It's all good.
Yeah,
Of course.
I love you too.
ये
No, it's
ये साली
Too little, too
प्रियंका.
late.
Also, I saw him at in Ahmedabad for Chennai Express promotions. He had
Oh,
come.
that's why you like Chennai Express.
And I stood in line for 11 hours without a drop of water. And after a point, I couldn't leave the place also because I was stuck in a sea of people.
wow,
and my
dude.
friends left me. They were like, we cannot wait.
Of course.
I didn't
He
have.
was supposed to come at 11 in the morning.
Yeah, and I reached there
Of
at
course.
11 in the morning, but he came at like almost 10 in the night.
इसकी आंख bro.
And
मतलब he's like ठीक है शाहरुख ठीक है fair.
Yeah.
best day ever.
He-
And maybe
he's-
you're not that big a fan if you don't know how late he usually
He
is.
he's known to be late.
Yeah, dude. Should know.
तो नहीं मे बी उन लोगों ने मुझे झूठ बताया था कि अभी आ जाएगा.
Yeah. Shahrukh lied. Man.
एक्चुअल में तो शाहरुख 1 घंटा जल्दी आया था क्योंकि
11 बजे
11
आना था
PM को बोला होगा ना उसने.
Correct.
वो 10 PM पे आया.
Oh, best day of my life. I love you, Shahrukh, if you're watching this.
We got married last year.
birthday.
didn't
मतलब शाहरुख से बहुत ज्यादा प्यार है मेरा.
Oh,
मैंने
so I have also seen Shahrukh. I've told this story
Yeah,
a
that कुछ
bunch
कुछ
of
होता
times.
है.
Yes.
Yeah.
आप दोनों ने नहीं देखा ना शाहरुख
मैंने
को?
देखा है बहुत पहले 93 या 94 में.
अच्छा तब तो शुरू ही हुआ था वो.
हाँ, he was in a car. He was driving himself.
Oh, wow.
And
are you making
yeah.
this up?
No, for real. So me, my dad, and like our entire family was in a car, and adjacent to it, I think it was near somewhere near Santa Cruz. We were going, and I know it was genuine because on one hand he had a steering wheel, the other there was a cigarette. So चलते चलते और glass down.
Good film, हाँ by the way.
My decade. But I guess he had put the window down to ash his cigarette, and my mom was the one who spotted.
Oh wow.
अरे देखो शाहरुख खान. And all three of us.
Did he hear and did he respond?
Yeah. So yeah, we were neck and neck. So my dad turned to him and is like, Shahrukh, our family is a big fan. Really
From within the car?
From within the car.
Oh, that's crazy.
Really look forward to your movies. And he smiled, that toothy smile that he does. And he did this.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
And then the cars bifurcated.
So basically, you have
Oh, so
had
he
the
said-
closest encounter with
More or
Shahrukh.
less, yeah.
But I
Yeah.
also touched his hand. I was in the front row, so he did this.
Oh, so then you
Yeah.
win.
And
Yeah.
I touched his hand. Yeah, that was
Shahrukh
crying.
Shahrukh went salam alaikum. He says walaikum.
A joke to our previous episode, Drama Review. Check
The
it out.
most fun Abbas has ever been. Or will ever be.
And next to him was someone sitting in the
Gauri, it
passenger
was
seat.
Gauri.
No, it was it was a
अरे
man, bro.
गौरी अच्छा फिर ठीक है
Maintain.
I often wonder if it was Aditya Chopra or someone, क्योंकि obviously हमने उनको नहीं पहचाना.
नहीं पहचाना।
But I don't know. Yeah.
डर बना रहा होगा उस टाइम पे
Fair enough.
Yeah,
Now you
was
go,
possible.
Antriksh.
Now my
Have you met him, Antariksh?
और सीन हिम
Like in real life?
no,
हाँ नॉट थ्रू
What a
कीर्ति's
loser.
eyes
Get out. You don't qualify.
Sorry,
you don't
Sorry,
deserve to
sorry.
be on this episode
that's why I got her on the episode to be on my side. Okay.
what's the sorry what's the
एक तो शाहरुख नहीं मिल रहा है.
who's the biggest star that you've seen or met
Yeah, Shahrukh.
Shahrukh
Oh,
अभी शाहरुख को देख लिया तो उससे.
I met Govinda, dude.
I
Oh,
worked
even
with
I've
worked
met
with
Govinda.
Abhishek Bachchan.
We went star. He literally said star. Okay.
I haven't seen Amitabh Bachchan. Like if that happens, then I would
bro
say.
Sunday every Sunday
I
6
know, but
PM
I'm
is
not
My,
going
there.
my
to.
brother has a photo of Jaggu Dada carrying him.
Oh.
What?
Yeah, dude. Like there's a photo. You don't know this. Yeah. There's a photo in the family.
तुम्हारी बीवी को तुम्हारे परिवार के बारे में पॉडकास्ट से क्यों पता चल
All
रहा
these
है
family secrets, you don't reveal everywhere. What the hell? These are guarded secrets.
just to these 12,000 people that will watch this
So like Govinda, Jaggu Dada, Shatrughan Sinha.
oh nice
Used to be friends with my dad or something. And yeah, like we used to go to some Shatrughan Sinha parties because my dad used to be friends with him. So at the parties we met a lot of these people. So somewhere there's a photo of me, like a very young me and an Amir Khan. And a very young Amir Khan.
oh
Yeah.
so you met like
I don't remember any of that.
मतलब but you met you have proof
If there's photo,
I remember as a kid, I was actually starstruck by Shekhar Suman at a party.
Bhai,
Because
he was big
Huge,
back
He was
then,
huge.
yeah
More than Shekhar's, my family was
crazy
religious watchers.
yeah crazy I still remember that dude the
The Shah Rukh episode, by the way, is a great episode of More Than Shekhar's.
जिसमें वो उसका लालू प्रसाद यादव का मिमिक्री करता था ऐसे ऐसे बात
Excellent. Always. Typical. I miss
सुरिंदर
Shekhar
वहीं से
Suman.
सुरिंदर वहीं से तो
सुरिंदर was comedy nights
हाँ पर उससे पहले वो मोर जेकर्स में था.
Oh, that
oh
makes
अच्छा
sense.
अच्छा
Okay,
okay
okay.
fair
Okay, cool. Fair enough.
तो बट एक टाइम तक ऐसा टाइम था कि मैं हर किसी से लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर झगड़ा करती थी शाहरुख के लिए और लोग जानबूझ के मेरे सामने बुराई करते थे ताकि मैं राइल अप हूँ.
You know, I had a friend like this. So in school, I've only ever met two people like this in my life.
Yeah.
You are one of them who will get offended if someone
oh
else.
yeah even I've met only
Personal
2 people and
offense.
she is one of them
Yeah, right. So and the other one person was a friend of mine in school. Her name was Shagufta, and she was exactly like this. She was like such a mad fan about Shah Rukh that कुछ भी कोई भी बोल दे, ये भी बोल दे कि ये पिक्चर मेरे को अच्छी नहीं लगी, ये क्वेश्चन कर दिया प्लॉट पॉइंट, gets offended.
yeah so again one of my friends जिसके साथ मैं by chance उसी के साथ में ये कुछ होता है वाले स्क्रीनिंग पे गया था भाई वो तो रो ही पड़ी थी वहाँ पे बट देन शी इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज पीपल जिसके सामने आप इतना बोल दो शाहरुख के बारे में इतना
Yeah.
वो कन्विंस कर देगी कि भाई शाहरुख जीवन में कोई गलत कदम उठा ही नहीं सकता अगर शाहरुख ने कोई कदम उठाया है तो वो सही और बहुत सही में ही चॉइस है
You know, I imagine
गलत
that,
नहीं है
I'm imagining that scene from No Entry where Ranbir Kapoor is like, "Hey Bhagwan," and Shah Rukh is walking by and he's like, "हाँ भगवान नाम है मेरा बोलो." You're talking about.
एंड देन द नेक्स्ट टाइम ही डज हे भगवान देन लाइक ऐसे ऐसे करता है हाँ फेयर यस
Okay, can
Nice.
I finally,
oh should do your opening statements
guys? Now it'll seem like I've built it up too much. What the hell? 5 pitches, 10 minutes. I've been trying to say this. Guys, so this is basically. I know, I'm aware that this is not the easiest decade, the 2010s,
to defend yes
to basically make it seem like it is the best decade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna win by kindness, okay?
अच्छा
By
okay
showering us with words of wisdom and kindness, okay? Also, yesterday, Kirti and I went for a Manto play,
oh nice
okay? And so my monologue will reflect.
भाई मन ठीक है कौन सी कहानी देखी मंटो की
3-4
भाई खत्म करना भाई, मेरे को करने दे.
अरे तुम लेकर आए मंटो का कॉन्वर्सेशन
5 stories
Nice.
Yeah.
of
ठीक है.
different
Kirti's friend was in one of them, and
nice,
she was
Srishti,
amazing.
shout out.
Yeah, amazing. Muhtaram Snehil, Abbas Mia.
Mohtaram, he's a man. Mohtaram is a woman.
This was I'm not great at Urdu.
पहला शब्द हकदीस, ठीक है, मैं मंटो का प्ले देख
भाई मैंने देखा है, मैंने पढ़ा थोड़ी है भाई, मैं जानता नहीं होता।
अच्छा ओके, मोहतरम
this
स्नेहिल,
gives, this
okay.
gives an idea
Yeah,
how
you
you
get
will
it.
do in the
मोहतर
episode.
माँ होता है ना women.
हाँ,
मोहतरम same.
मोहतरमा, मोहतरम.
Okay, I literally
No,
looked
no,
up.
Mohtaram means man. You're right. Yeah.
I am right?
Mohtarma, no.
Oh, okay. No, I literally looked it up and I was like, oh, Mohtaram sounds like a man. That sounds about right. Shriman.
Srimati.
Good film, very good film.
Nice show also.
Nice
Yeah.
show, man. Good show. Okay, so Shriman Snehil, अब्बास मियाँ, साकी कीर्ति बेगम और हमारे प्यारे दर्शकों का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि आप अपने विचारों को पेश करने में आपने मुझे आज ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया।
वाह
Thank
क्या
you,
बात
thank
है, वाह
इस मेहरबानी का
जी।
मैं जितना धन्यवाद और जितनी प्रशंसा लफ्जों में बयां कर पाऊं उससे कई ज्यादा अहमियत रखता है आपका ये प्लेटफॉर्म।
जी सही है। हाँ। प्लेटफॉर्म आपका घर ही है सर, चलिए हाँ।
तो फिर से दिलो दिमाग से धन्यवाद। आप तीनों बहुत ही नेक और जरूरी काम कर रहे हैं।
ये तो सही है भाई।
ये तो बात
इसमें तो कोई वो नहीं है।
ये तो बात
Okay.
सच है।
हाँ।
अब यूं कि मैं ये स्थापित कर चुका हूं कि मैं लोगों की आंखों में धूल फेंकने में कितना माहिर हूं,
बिल्कुल।
ठीक है।
अब मैं ये स्थापित करना चाहूंगा कि साल 2010 और 2020 का दशक उस्ताद शाहरुख खान के करियर का सबसे बड़ा हाईलाइट क्यों रहा।
He picked and choose his Urdu words.
You get it? मालूम है दोस्तों, 2010 का दफा करना ऐसी
क्या करना?
मुशक्कत, डोंट क्वेश्चन माय व्हाटएवर वर्ड्स आई कुड कम
दफा ही करना है।
हम पहले ही उसको
Yeah.
मोहतरम गलत बता चुके हैं।
relax,
मोहतरम
okay.
मर्द ही
Relax.
होता है।
ओके हाँ।
ठीक
मर्द ही
है।
होता है।
हाँ, मोहतरम मर्द होता है, मोहतरमा इज
तो आई वाज
फीमेल।
राइट।
हाँ,
What the fuck? What the hell, guys? What the hell? You know how
चलो,
long
चलो,
this took me?
दफा करो हाँ।
बहुत अच्छा उर्दू
या मालूम है दोस्तों, 2010 का दफा करना ऐसी मुशक्कत है जैसे लोहे के चने चबाना।
अच्छा।
अब्बास मियाँ,
यस
क्या आप चबा सकते हैं लोहे के चने?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
पास में 2 प्लेट कबाब हो रहेगा और एक रुमाली रोटी लगा दीजिए चटनी के साथ।
जी हमारे लिए तो रेगुलर चने चबाना थोड़ा मुश्किल
मुश्किल
हो जाता है,
है।
तो लोहे तो छोड़ दो।
हाँ।
इसलिए आई वाज
इसीलिए हम
तो बेसिकली आई वाज होपिंग अब्बास वुड से या मैं तो चबा लेता हूँ, एंड देन आई वुड से इसलिए आपका एक दांत गायब है।
भाई 6 नंबर छोड़ चुके हैं ये चैनल अब तक। एनीवे यस,
हम पिछले 5 मिनट से अंतरिक्ष का
मोनोलॉग सुन रहे हैं।
रुको यार, रुको यार। लेकिन अर्ज है,
इरशाद
थैंक यू। ये वो दौर था जहां शाहरुख हर फिल्म में तजुर्बा कर रहे थे, okay? और तमाशा बीन सिर्फ अपना सब्र और करार आजमा रहे थे।
ओके।
रावण,
हाँ।
हिंदुस्तान का पहला सुपर हीरो।
क्रिश डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन हिज
Let me finish my sentence.
या
रावण, हिंदुस्तान का पहला सुपर हीरो जो आमिर खान के जज्बात और शक्तिमान की शक्ति रखता है।
आयरन मैन लिखा है, आमिर खान ने लिखा है।
I said Iron Man.
You said Amir
You said Amir Khan, yeah.
What's wrong with you?
What?
जो सुपर हीरो जो आयरन मैन, I don't know why I said आमिर खान.
This is a fever
अच्छा,
dream.
लोखंड के चने और आयरन
Yeah,
मैन।
you get it.
हाँ, yeah.
Thanks Abbas.
Connecting the dots. Yeah.
भाई ने लिखा भी लोखंड वाला मार्केट में है।
Nice, great. जब तक है जान, यश चोपड़ा साहब का आखिरी शाहकार और शाहरुख का वो मरहला जहां बे इंतहा मोहब्बत के गुरूर फरमाया गया। चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस।
Are you gonna
एक
सेकंड?
हाँ,
you
you
are
are
sorry what the
Give
fuck?
up.
This is last.
अच्छा ठीक है।
Okay? चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस।
हाँ। जिसमें चेन्नई गया गया।
नहीं, रेल पकड़ ली मगर जियोग्राफी भूल गए। योयो हनी सिंह ने दक्षिण भारत का सकाफती आइकन बनकर हम सब से माफी मांग ली लुंगी डांस गाना बनाने के लिए, और क्योंकि गीत बढ़िया था हमने उन्हें माफ भी कर दिया।
ठीक है, गुड, ऑल एंड्स दैट, ऑल इज वेल दैट एंड्स वेल।
मैं हूँ इसकी टीम में, but I was not aware of this.
Yeah, that's part of
So
it.
let's
Just
judge
like वो
accordingly.
जो वासुदेव में कहता है ना, हमें खुद नमक ही नहीं है, हम
Last-
अलग हैं।
लास्ट हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
ओके,
हिंदुस्तान
भी
की
टाइम है, दिसंबर है।
हिंदुस्तान की पहली चोरी जिसमें सबसे बड़ा जुर्म कहानी थी।
वाह 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 वाह।
डांस वेट दिस इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली हेट, ओके। डांस करते करते सोना चुरा रहे थे, अरे भाई इससे अच्छा तो बैंक से कर्ज ही ले लेते। अभिषेक और बमन से आप डांस तो नहीं करवा ही सकते। यू गेट इट।
ऑल्सो वो सोना नहीं चुरा रहे थे, बट ओके,
It's done.
यू गेट इट, दौलत चुरा रहे थे,
डायमंड।
अमीरियत। ओके, तो दोस्तों याद रखिए, सिर्फ वही असली सितारा है जो अपने फ्लॉप दौर को भी शान और शौकत से जी ले।
वाह वाह वाह।
हाँ, वाह, जो आपने क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट को ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट बना के प्रेजेंट किया है।
तो याद रखना
हाँ, कि मैं दिया हो जो मैंने ये सब लिखा है।
तो याद रखना
हाँ,
ये मुनाजरा ये तो याद रखना
हाँ, ये मनमोहन सिंह।
मुनाजरा,
ये
अच्छा।
मुनाजरा का मैदान तो मैं ही जीतने वाला हूँ,
अच्छा,
मगर तुम श्रीमती दीपिका पादुकोण के वो अमर लफ्ज याद रखना फिल्म हैप्पी न्यू ईयर से, कि हारो तो हारो
इज्जत मत उतारो। वाह,
नहीं, डोंट।
थैंक यू guys, that's my time, I'll be out of here.
Now you don't speak.
For the rest of the episode.
चुप रहने का, ठीक है?
Thank you guys.
भाई लिटरली पता है इसने 17वें मिनट पे बोलना स्टार्ट किया था।
यार, तुम लोग इतना डिस्टर्ब करोगे बीच में तो कैसा चलेगा?
ठीक है,
You can cut all of that out. Alright, let's get to it then.
ठीक है, yes.
Okay, let's get to the actual
सो
meat of
हम
the
लोग
episode.
बेसिकली अब इसमें ये डिसाइड करेंगे कि शाहरुख का बेस्ट डेकेड कौन सा था, सेकंड बेस्ट कौन सा था, एंड देन अंतरिक्ष कम्स इन एट थर्ड। ठीक है,
And then make the best choice. Yes, correct. I have another thing prepared. No, I won't.
थैंक्स। ठीक है, तो ऐसा कोई ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट नहीं है मेरा, थैंक गॉड, बट आई थिंक द रिजल्ट इज क्वाइट क्लियर गाइज। शाहरुख का बेस्ट एरा इज द 90s, लाइक इट्स what made शाहरुख in 2000s. If अगर 90s वाला शाहरुख ना आता तो कभी 2000 वाला शाहरुख आ ही नहीं सकता था। जितना
ऐसे
बात
तो
है
क्या है
कि-
कि
ये
this is
तो
the
है कि पैदा
most
नहीं होती
easy.
तो
अरे
स्कूल
नहीं,
में
नहीं,
नहीं
This is ये
नहीं,
घुटने
नहीं।
से सोचने वाला
नहीं,
जो
अरे
यानी तुम agree कर
explanation
रहे
है ना
हो
भाई?
वो अपग्रेड था 2000s में।
नहीं नहीं, मैं ये
and then 2010 से
नहीं, मुझे ये पता है कि अब्बास के जो स्टारडम वाले पॉइंट्स आने वाले हैं 2000s वाले, उसमें कि वो इतने पीक स्टारडम पे था, ये था वो था, वो इसीलिए पीक स्टारडम पे था क्योंकि उसका 90s बेस्ट तरह बैंगर आफ्टर बैंगर था, एंड
See.
देन ही केम टू 2000s
कोई
व्हिच वाज
स्टैंडर्ड में फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड के बाद ही जाता है, ऐसे नहीं कि
व्हाट,
directly
अबे
fifth
मैं
standard में
लेवल नहीं बना रहा उसको।
See, what I will say about the 90s, right, is that Shahrukh was, when he started out, objectively speaking, okay, as the years went on, 90s, he was a decent actor. 2000s, he became a good actor. 2010s, murder.
ऑफ द क्राफ्ट इटसेल्फ।
Oh, देखा जाएगा यार, murdering something. 90s में तो कुछ कत्ल नहीं कर रहा है, एक्सेप्ट बाजीगर में कर देगा इसी साल।
नहीं, बट आई जेन्युइनली फील जितने बैंगर्स, सी अगेन देयर इज नो आर्ग्यूमेंट इन द फैक्ट कि 2000s में उसने बहुत
So
बैंगर्स
let's
दिए
count
हैं।
the bangers from 90s.
ठीक है,
What are the
चलो,
bangers?
अब ये
according to you?
कलेक्शन कुलुक्शन मत डालना,
हाँ,
ठीक है
fuck
बीच
it.
के
Oh,
अंदर।
because तू हार जाएगा, I get it.
नहीं, क्योंकि
Because
कलेक्शन
then तो
ठीक है।
I'll only win,
नहीं,
only
कलेक्शन
I
में
can
तो
win.
फिर देन जवान और पठान को तो कोई बीट ही नहीं कर सकता ना।
Thank you guys. That's
ठीक है, ठीक है, सो
nothing else.
मैं आपको मेजर फिल्म्स जो मेरे एरा की हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सही हैं। अच्छा, हैव यू सीन चमत्कार?
Yes.
Yes.
डू यू एंजॉय द
It's a
फिल्म?
fun movie. Yes.
ठीक है।
No, I
Yeah.
don't.
मार्गो हो
Can I make
Yes,
an argument
please.
though? It's
But like,
fun
so-
because of Nasruddin Shah.
Bro, Shahrukh is also fun in the
Shahrukh
film.
is
But
okay,
he's
dude.
He's okay.
Like this one and in also it.
यार, मैं अभी-
which is that movie? Mera Daddy Cool, fool, bloody fool. Which is Anupam Kher and Shah Rukh have this song together, man.
चाहती तो है ना
चाहत
मेरे ख्याल से.
Chahat, or?
हाँ.
Yeah, Chahat is also
Yeah.
not a good film.
Yeah, it's
No, it's not.
These two films I remember.
I'm not
Shah
saying
Rukh
कि-
not being good in them.
ठीक है, so मैं आपको जो आउट एंड आउट
I
बैंगर्स
yeah,
हैं.
I was expecting you to start
नहीं.
with the big
Oh,
ones.
नहीं
Yeah.
मैं तो उसकी स्टार्टिंग ईयर, दिस इज
Sure.
हिज लिटरली द सेकंड फिल्म.
Okay.
ठीक है. एनीवे अगर आपको बैंगर से बात करनी है तो नेक्स्ट वेरी नेक्स्ट ईयर बाजीगर, डर.
Wait, when was Raju Bangia Gentleman?
फर्स्ट ईयर.
That was
92.
दैट वाज हिज फर्स्ट ईयर 92.
Actually a good.
मैं तभी तो उस साल से स्टार्ट कर रहा था कि
underappreciated. I
yeah,
think,
so apparently
fun, good film.
Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman was the first film that he ever signed.
Was it?
ठीक है.
Okay.
That he ever signed?
That he ever signed. ठीक है. And then Deewana was the second film that he signed.
But I love Deewana.
हाँ, दीवाना is also a good
It's a
film.
great
ठीक है. कोई ना कोई चाहिए प्यार करने
Very
वाला.
charming, very charming.
Yeah,
always,
very charming.
But from the beginning.
शाहरुख was very charming from the very first
Yeah,
film.
from the get-go,
उसका
yes.
anyway, तो राजू बन गया Gentleman was the first film that he ever signed. Second film was Deewana, but राजू बन गया Gentleman got delayed for some reason. So Deewana
Release first.
released पहले.
Is it?
And this was also like a big conflict because राज माथुर तो उसका नाम था. मैं वो लिखा हुआ था बस मैं राज माथुर बोल दिया. That the director wanted to launch, like he wanted to be the one to launch
Yeah, the
Shahrukh.
director,
Yeah.
yeah,
ठीक है.
Aziz Mirza.
हाँ. Anyway, so first ever year दीवाना, चमत्कार, राजू बन गया Gentleman. I think 3 very good films for a debut, right? उसके बाद very next year बाजीगर एंड डर. ठीक है. ठीक है. फिर उसके जस्ट बाद कभी हाँ कभी ना और अंजाम. मुझे
I
मालूम
love
है
अंजाम.
मुझे मालूम है बहुत लोग ऐसा उससे
Bad
Yeah.
movie.
हाँ ठीक है.
Yeah.
बट अंजाम का स्टिल एक छोटा मोटा क्यूट कल्ट ऑडियंस है.
But
एनीवे
उसने परफॉर्म तो अच्छा किया है. चाहे
हाँ,
movie
another
में
negative
faults
role.
हैं,
Whose team are
performance है. यार ये मेरे लिए बहुत पेनफुल है. मैं बोलने वाली थी कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही पेनफुल है मेरे लिए. मैं शिट ही कर ही नहीं सकती किसी
ठीक
भी
है.
I think
Bazigar Dar, I give you that.
when you're playing cricket in your colony and there are an odd number of players, so one player is a common
Yeah.
player. for your team.
बीच का
Quote
बिच्छू.
me.
Yeah, correct.
ऐसे भी
is that
हाँ, I'll agree to everything.
ठीक है. सो 93 बाजीगर, डर, बीच में किंग अंगल भी है बट मुझे वो इतनी कुछ खास नहीं लगती.
But
एनीवे
cute है.
वो क्यूट फिल्म है. उसमें शाहरुख का उतना वो भी नहीं है.
चुटकी भी है उसमें.
इट्स मोर ऑफ जैकी दादा फिल्म. एनीवे
Okay.
बाजीगर, डर, कभी हाँ कभी ना, अंजाम, करण अर्जुन, DDLJ, ब्रो.
Do
Bro.
you have a personal favorite in the 90s, by the way?
ओ या ऑफ कोर्स गुड.
Your one personal favorite.
हाँ मतलब लाइक आई अभी जितनी मैंने बोली ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ देम आई
No,
लव.
no, no. I'm saying like if you had to choose one, crowning tier movie.
यार आई
Crown
थिंक
tier
इट
movie.
शुड बी DDLJ. बट आई रियली like kabhi haan kabhi na. I really love Karan Arjun. Like it's very difficult to
You
crown
really love
one.
Karan Arjun?
Bro, Karan
You don't
Arjun,
like Karan
what the
Arjun?
fuck?
I like Karan Arjun.
I
It's
love
not that
Karan
great.
Arjun. I think that's my
It's
favorite
okay.
90s movie. Dude.
Bro, Karan Arjun is a banger of a film. Are you
amazing
mad?
movie.
I would
It's
actually
okay.
say Bazigar and Dar were my
Yeah,
favorite.
Bazigar
Bazigar
is way better than
fucking
Karan
Dar
Arjun.
was crazy, dude.
I think Karan Arjun has a certain level of rewatchability that almost none of the other movies have.
Bro, Karan
it's,
Arjun
it's that mass movie
banger film थी
before
भाई.
all the Pathans and all. It was basically that.
ठीक है. फिर
It's
उसके
more,
बाद
more massy than Bazigar.
Bro, 96 is the only ढीला year that he's had in the 92 to 99 that I have to me.
What is it, 96?
96 is English Babu, Desi Mem,
Okay.
चाहत, आर्मी, दुश्मन दुनिया का.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
wow,
इसमें भी mostly cameos and all of that. ठीक
Army
है.
has like a cameo.
आर्मी में कैमियो है, दुश्मन दुनिया का कैमियो है, इंग्लिश बाबू, देसी मेम, चाहत, नॉट गुड. भाई फिर 97 परदेस, दिल तो पागल है, यस बॉस, 98 दिल से कुछ होता है, 99 बादशाह. कैसे खराब है भाई ये साल के मतलब ये डेकेड. डूड दिस इज
खराब नहीं है.
खराब नहीं है.
हाँ मतलब
Not
2000s
as
are
good
better.
as 2010s.
The
Yeah.
2000s are better.
नहीं ब्रो.
Yeah.
And 2010s are best.
See, I know. See, मुझे मतलब now that you will take 2000s and 2001 and 2002 away from me. क्योंकि
What is away from you? It was never yours.
अरे क्योंकि
It was never yours.
अरे it was always mine. We had this.
Oh.
Was
So,
always
I would say
mine.
this is सलमान खान के वर्ड्स में RR रैंडम रोना.
यार हम तुम कल कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल पे नहीं थी. कल यही डिस्कस हुआ था कि 92 to 2002
DDL से होने के बावजूद
हाँ,
Yeah,
क्यों
why you
हो रहा
try to-
है?
why try to ruin
तेरे
it?
पास
It's not
DDL
no
नहीं,
way.
कुछ कुछ होता है। कभी हाँ, कभी ना,
मैं
परदेस,
without
yes, boss.
without
See, the thing is,
2000s,
you are-
2001, 2002 also I feel 90s was the greatest era of Shahrukh Khan.
That's it.
Then
This
why do you
what?
want more movies to
बट
be
मैं
able
कह
to
रहा हूँ कि मेरा केस और स्ट्रॉन्ग, अगर यार मेरे को एक मर्डर प्रूव करना है और मेरे पास 6 सबूत है और मेरे पास 9 सबूत है, why would I not like 9 सबूत? No.
I mean, yeah, but then you're
That's-
taking away from my saboots.
Why are you
Because
अरे
in my decade, 2010 and 2011 are basically the only years which had
नहीं बोलते
which had
नहीं
the
बोलते।
amazing films.
Wow,
you know, the
bro.
others were very
That means
good.
I'm the only one who's
The others were
satisfied.
very good. but
बिकॉज इस नए रूल से आपको देवदास मिल गई, कभी खुशी कभी गम मिल गई. हाँ तो ये तो आप तो ऑब्वियसली बोलोगे ही ना.
So are you done? Can I make my?
I was not done. The years got done. What do I do?
Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
Yes.
Okay. As my esteemed colleague just now pointed out, कि इस decade में ये सारी चीजें, ये
हाँ.
सारी. Agreed. These are all
Bangers.
good films,
Yes,
enjoyable
yes.
films. I was around for these. I was a kid watching these films with.
Hey, this cannot be your argument for
अरे,
anything.
बोलना
that's
चाहिए
not an
ना.
argument.
Yeah,
This is fact.
I'm saying I was watching with wide-eyed the rise of a young Shah Rukh Khan
We were all old enough, firstly of us,
to
watch
become
this film.
to become who he was.
Yeah.
And at this time,
थोड़ा cockiness कम कर
I swear.
judge. So where was I? Yes.
हाँ.
So
In
these
delusion.
These
Yeah.
films brought Shah Rukh Khan the nationwide क्या कहते हैं appeal.
Yeah.
Nationwide popularity.
Yeah, sure.
At this point, Shah Rukh Khan became the biggest hero in India.
Yeah.
When you come to the 2000s, though, what happens is Shah Rukh Khan becomes one of the biggest stars in the world. And you know how that happens, okay? At this point, in 2000 he does a film called Josh, fair enough, decent movie.
Great movie.
But I would like to
I would say the only good movie in 2000s.
I'll make you eat your words. But I would like to bring your attention to two movies,
Yeah.
namely Mohabbatein and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Okay.
Okay, what happens in these movies is Shah Rukh Khan is cast against what till that point against someone who, till that point was the biggest actor in Indian cinema, Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, these two movies are literally Amitabh passing the torch to Shah Rukh Khan and be like, yes, now this is the biggest star of this industry.
बेटा
Okay.
मेरे घुटनों में बहुत दर्द होती है
अब तुम लेके
अब तुम
चलोगे.
लेके चलोगे
ये बात नहीं है अमिताभ बच्चन का बीच में एक लल
अमिताभ
था।
बच्चन का
Yeah,
बीच में काफी मेजर
हाँ,
वो
which
ABC कॉर्प के
came
टाइम
back because of KBC, which started in 2000.
Yeah.
Right. Then 2000.
So basically what you're saying is at this point Amitabh was a TV star.
yeah, he was. Yeah, and then he came back to movies thanks to
Chopra.
Aditya Chopra.
Yes.
Yes, Chopra and Aditya Chopra who
मोहब्बतें I
got
don't
Mohabbatein.
really like.
Also,
it's a-
Mohabbatein is not a Shahrukh
Oh,
alone
please,
film.
it is. It's not a Shah Rukh alone film, but it is a two-hander. It is Amitabh
But
and Shah Rukh.
it's more a Shah Rukh film than an Amitabh
Yeah.
film. Amitabh is there very
But
very
it's
good
also a very cute Jimmy Shergill.
Yeah,
and
but
bro,
it's not-
violin, sweater,
Very
Raj
try-hard.
Aryan,
Iconic.
fashion state,
Iconic.
Yes.
Very iconic.
Also,
I agree.
also
I
Mohabbatein
agree.
should not be defended as a good film anyway
I
because
agree.
Uday Chopra is a lead in the film.
But very cute Jimmy.
Yeah, very,
Very
cute
cute
Jimmy,
Jimmy,
very
yes.
cute
Very cute
Jugal.
Jimmy.
But,
Jugal also, yes.
Who's the chick who's opposite Jimmy?
Preeti Jangiani.
नहीं प्रीति
Preeti
गंगानी तो मेरी
Jangiani.
दोस्त है.
Preeti Jangiani? Dude,
Jangiani.
horrible actress. If you watch Mohabbatein again.
Bro, all of them horrible.
all of them are bad. But
Oh, Jimmy Shergill is not that.
Bro,
bad.
Jimmy तो एक सेकंड.
I love Jimmy.
Bro,
जहाँ तूने काम किया है जिमी शेरगिल
अरे
के
मैं
साथ.
वो तो
हाँ,
बोलने भी
अच्छा,
नहीं
okay.
वाला. मैं हर 2 मिनट का सीन नहीं घुसाता हर एपिसोड में अपना. ठीक है.
2 मिनट भी नहीं, 50 सेकंड का सीन है. Okay.
But नहीं, I was about to say that जिमी की मैंने कुछ पंजाबी फिल्म्स भी देखी हैं. जिमी was absolutely amazing in चप्पा चप्पा चक what's the Matches
is really
bro,
good, yeah.
banger of a
पर वो
साहिब
पंजाबी
बीवी।
फिल्म नहीं है.
अरे तो मैंने
साहिब-
ऑल्सो करके बोला ना.
साहिब बीवी.
साहिब बीवी और
And
गैंगस्टर.
also
Gangster,
good
बहुत
in Tanu
अच्छी
Ed's Manu.
Tanu Weds Manu.
Tanu Weds
He
Manu.
he has always
Great
been
in
like
Munna Bhai
the,
Vegas. That's the
Also,
only
I
one.
have
Wednesday.
rewatched
Very good.
मेरे यार की शादी है gazillion
Bro,
time because of Jimmy
Let it
Shergill.
go.
मैं तुम्हें बता नहीं सकता how big of a fan I am of that song. वो भागे नहीं
हाँ, यही
नहीं,
है,
हाँ,
जागे, जागे,
मैं जागे जागे भागे भागे बोलने लग रहा
ठीक है,
जागे जागे
Guys, can I come back to
उसमें पता है वो गाने यू कैन कम बैक टू शाहरुख ठीक है उसमें उस गाने में ना जिमी शेरगिल एक बार ये स्टेप करता है कोरस में और दूसरी बार उदय चोपड़ा करता है ये स्टेप भाई उदय चोपड़ा जब ये स्टेप करता है ना ऐसा लग रहा है जिम कर रहा है ठीक है भागे और एंड ठीक है एंड देन जिमी सो समझ लाइक अरे यार
जिमी का फेस कार्ड है ना
क्या
यार।
क्यूट एकदम
मेरे यार
क्यूटी
की शादी का साउंड ट्रैक काफी बैंगर
काफी बैंगर ब्रो
Also,
काफी बैंगर
in fairness to Uday Chopra, he wasn't a terrible dancer.
he was not but वो कुछ smoothness वो कुछ
He was
ease
a
चाहिए
terrible
होता है ना
everything else.
Yeah, sure.
but apparently he's running YRF very successfully in the states
Yeah, very successful into the ground. Hey.
okay
Anyway,
yes
so this is when Shah Rukh truly is taking the baton as the biggest star in the country. Also, this is the decade where he does Swades and Chak De India, right?
Yeah.
Again, two films जिनको which are taken as peak of क्या कहते authentic Shah Rukh कि उसने he's not doing the song and dance that he used to do. Also, I would like to make the argument this action of his came in the 2000s, guys. In which 90s film has he done this?
But DDLJ
DDLJ
Oh, really? Okay.
are you dumb are you fucking
But this
stupid
became iconic in the 2000s.
bro it started
Oh,
in
can we do this? Can we try and steal things from other decades? Dude, do you know the song Dil Wale Dulhan Le Jayenge? Was it Happy New Year, dude? Great, man.
that's literally the
Oh, wait,
तुझे
क्या
देखा
तुम सरसों के खेत का सीन भूल गए रॉयल
किसका?
एनफील्ड सरसों के
सरसों
खेत
का
में
खेत
The cowbell.
जिसमें काजोल
हार्ली
यार
डेविडसन
उसमें तो वो सिर्फ
जैकेट
गले मिलाने बुला रहा है. He's not like doing
Bhai,
this.
that is the iconic look.
The iconic
नहीं
thing
गाइस
is
अब वो समझ गया उसकी गलती हो गई
हाँ,
अब वो
ठीक है,
आसपास
दिया.
अब वो आसपास
ले ले.
घुमा के डिफेंड करेगा
Guys,
ले चल.
let Abbas try to steal it. कल होना हो पता नहीं.
Thanks for segueing into
course,
the thing.
of course, Abbas.
Kal Ho Na Ho, another very iconic movie. The Kantaben scene, the songs from that movie, everything. is
problematic
great.
Extremely problematic.
extremely
Problematic,
problematic
yes.
hasn't aged well at all
What is cock?
2000s the thing
Satish Shah.
the thing we
$3 Satish
complimented Shah Rukh for in the beginning of the episode. That is a
Yes. Shit, now Srinath keep
also
it in, dude.
so 2000s is the decade where the industry starts celebrating Shah Rukh Khan. I would make an argument Om Shanti Om is that, right? It's celebrating Shah Rukh's stardom on screen.
bro no
Which is, yeah, of course.
It is. Yeah.
yeah it's not it's
also
no,
the
I
It
think-
celebrated Bollywood
yeah it's celebrating Bollywood it's not
And who's
celebrating
at the center of that?
bro अब वो हीरो है फिल्म का तो अब है ना लेकिन
But मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ 90s में कोई ऐसी पिक्चर उठा के दिखा तो शाहरुख
यार,
खान
वो
अपना
कौन-
स्टारडम प्ले अप
वो
कर रहा
कौन-
है.
यार,
इसमें दो फिल्में हैं, बिल्लू एंड ओम शांति
In fairness to that,
Bro.
he was building his stardom.
bro
in the
90s
90s.
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah.
denying that.
again I'm
I'm
not
saying the star that we know Shah Rukh today that he is, where he comes at the balcony of Mannat and does one hand gesture and people go crazy. That started in
that
the
hand
2000s.
gesture was in 90s
That started in the,
The
but
hand
the,
just started in the
but the
90s.
stardom started in the 2000s.
bro no he was already one of the biggest stars of the country
Yes.
guys see when he reached 2000s see I'll tell you मैं आपको बताता हूँ अगर आप मैं आपको एक analogy से बताऊँ ना so 90s में उसने एक बहुत टेस्टी और खूबसूरत केक बनाया है और 2000s उसके ऊपर का बहुत खूबसूरत आइसिंग है
नहीं
then
मैं बोलूंगा 2000s
Mine is the candle on top that you have to put out.
90s is like probably the first layer, the base of the
bro
cake.
no
But एक
But the
second, एक
re-
second, एक
all
second.
the rest of the cake is the
No.
2000 and
एक second, एक
2010s is
second.
like the cherry की डंडी.
गाइस पैसे के बिना दुनिया नहीं चलती पैसे पे सब कुछ कायम है और पैसे हमने
Shahrukh Khan stands to success.
Okay.
उस टाइम पे तो
Success.
पैसा देश में ही नहीं था
Closing
So,
closing
see, okay.
statement.
Okay,
Then
yeah.
you can make your
Okay,
point.
okay, sure.
Point I'm trying to make is the 2000 when Shah Rukh Khan became a brand. He started selling merchandise. He did way more ads. He bought a cricket team. He hosted KBC. At the end of the 90s, how many books are written about Shah Rukh Khan? Zero. At the end of 2000, about 6 to 7 books are written about Shah Rukh
Bro,
Khan. Because Shah Rukh Khan has become
And
a
all of them
bona
came
fide-
out in the 2010s.
has become a bona fide star. The icon that we consider Shah Rukh to be today is because of the 2000s.
no not
And
at all
Also,
No, man. See, I would-
artistic cred. He also did a film like Paheli in 2000s, which was directed by Amol Palekar. So, despite being the fabulous mainstream star that he is, he was still doing stuff like
again
Payali.
great film.
ब्रो अगर आपको ऐसा आर्टिस्ट्री के लिए आपको उसको क्रेडिट देना था तो आप पहेली की जगह आप उसको हेराम में भी दे सकते
हाँ
थे, but
हेराम
चलो,
भी है
कोई नहीं,
but
वो भी
he's not-
आगे के
he's not
decade
a-
में है.
he's not a main character in that kind
Also
of
film fair भी host किया था उसने.
फिल्म फेयर भी होस्ट किया
सैराम में,
उसने
बहुत ही
सैफ अली
funny
खान
that's
के
what I'm
साथ
see, I
he
will-
became the
See,
face of the
again,
industry
again, no, all your arguments are arguments तो क्या ही हम लोग कौन सा अदालत में है, but all your
अदालत की
points,
तरह ही treat
all
All
your
your-
points for this is that he was at the peak of his stardom.
so I'm not denying
I-
when you say
again,
he set the base
I am not denying the fact. Sorry, I am not denying the fact that he was at the peak of his stardom. I think उसका peak of the stardom 2010 में 2000 से भी ज्यादा है, 2020 में 2010 से भी ज्यादा होगा.
भाई जब सचिन ने अपना 100 बनाया वो एक अचीवमेंट था तो अब तुम ये बोलोगे उसने पहला रन नहीं बनाया होता
बात
तो वो
पहले
100
रन की बात ही
सेंचुरी
नहीं
का
है.
थोड़ी
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ उसने 100 जब बनाया अचीवमेंट है. आई एम नॉट डिस्काउंटिंग द फैक्ट दैट चक दे इंडिया इज नॉट अ ग्रेट फिल्म. आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग द फैक्ट दैट चक दे इंडिया इज अ बेटर फिल्म देन प्रोबेबली a 1 2 का 4 फॉर दैट मैटर. ठीक है, मैं ये बात मान रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल मान रहा हूँ. मैं ये भी कह रहा हूँ दैट he obviously with age he got better with the craft also. And
course,
2010s 2000 उसमें जैसे अगर My Name Is Khan है, there are probably sequences जहाँ पे he is a better actor in My Name Is Khan than all of the other films.
I disagree but I'll let
You
them
disagree
figure
now.
that out.
Can I say-
Can I make one last point?
Okay.
Yes.
Also, Shah Rukh Khan becomes a grade businessman because he sets up Dreams Unlimited, which fails with Juhi Chawla and Aziz Mirza.
Yeah.
He learns from that mistake, sets up Red Chillies, which becomes a massive success. That's my
Fair,
last
fair,
point.
fair.
So,
What-
businessman, actor, global icon,
See,
all in the 2000s.
But ये सब hustle है ये सब.
Thank you,
इतना
ladies and
hustle
gentlemen.
है.
तो मैं वही तो आपको कह रहा हूँ कि
हमारे टाइम में relax करा
आप
है
मेरे को ये
उसने.
बता रहे हो कि at what time did he reach his success? Like the
Which is the
at
2000s.
what time did he reach his stardom?
Sure.
That is 2000s. There
Yeah.
is no argument in that.
Then I won.
But no, we are
What I would say.
we are counting which is Shah Rukh's best decade when it comes to films.
Okay, I ran down all the iconic
Bro,
films that he does. He has
आपके
done in this.
10 साल में 7 फिल्म से ज्यादा नहीं है.
ठीक है, and all 7 of them are bangers.
मेरे 9 साल में 8 हैं.
Okay, let's count down the bangers
हाँ
then.
प्लीज.
Okay.
उसकी बेचारे की बारी नहीं आ रही है.
The biggest ones, like I said, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum,
ठीक
Om
है.
Shanti Om, Chak De India, Swades, that's 4. Okay. Now,
Never
if you want, you can count Veer Zara in that.
Never know.
Iconic.
Veer Zara is a
the
great film.
iconic.
I
that's
completely
5.
agree.
Una,
Una, Om Shanti Om,
There you go. That's 7 for me as well.
Devdas.
Om Shanti Om, I already counted.
Yeah,
Devdas,
Devdas.
yes, it's scale over substance, but let's count that if you're counting it in my favor.
I mean, come
और
on.
पता है, see, I'll tell you, I have a hot take on Devdas. I feel Devdas is the film where he's hammed his acting the most.
But ठीक है अभी हम हैं अब ऐसे
अब
करने
लेकिन
जाएंगे
but
तो हम
again
फिर-
all again it continuation to that statement, वो देवदास की जो उसने एक्टिंग करी थी वो एक genre defining एक्टिंग बन गई आगे जाके, which was basically synonymous to the शाहरुख खान style of acting. That this is how like
Yeah,
if you want to, जैसे सारे मिमिक्री
ने
आर्टिस्ट
घर छोड़
हाँ वो कैरिकेचर जो बन गया शाहरुख का, that was because of देवदास, and in no way would I call that like a bad performance because it resulted into so many like things
Clones.
and global वाला वो जो भी कहते हैं इंग्लिश में उसको.
Underrated performance, his performance as Surinder Sahani in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi.
Yes, I love रब ने बना दी.
Because when Shah Rukh Khan could easily have been the Shah Rukh Khan, he chose to play this subdued introvert,
Again,
meek husband.
I completely agree to whatever
Thank
you're
you.
but Rab
saying.
Ne
Yeah,
Bana Di Jodi
yeah.
was when?
2008,
8
or 7.
7
No, it was later.
I think it was 2014 actually.
रब ने बना दी जोड़ी.
You know what I would
अनुष्का शर्मा debuted after Deepika, no?
Yes.
yeah, after that.
है ना, तो it was definitely post
Yeah.
2007.
Correct, 100%.
Yeah, post 7.
2008 is Rab Ne
8,
Bana Di
yeah.
Jodi. Yeah.
What I would say
Yeah.
is that 2010s is the most iconic, important Shah Rukh decade because this is the decade where he actually told us his full name. My name is Khan. People were just calling him Shah Rukh before that. Nobody knew his last name was Khan. Do you know? Fun fact.
From the
Now you know.
epiglottis.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Firstly that. Secondly, this is the decade where he solidified his stardom. Not that he had maybe the most success, but to see how your stardom can stay with you despite shortcomings. That's how you know your stardom is there to stay. Okay, so that's another awesome reason why Shah Rukh's this decade established him as the mega star of all times.
Would you agree? But this is you're basically sugarcoating the fact that his stardom has overtaken his good
Yeah.
choice in films.
But no, I disagree.
No, I disagree.
Even in 90s mein he was establishing himself. Okay, so he was doing whatever good scripts were coming his way. Cannot be very picky because you are
Yeah.
trying to become.
did some shit work in the 90s.
Yeah, correct. And then
Yeah.
2000 was his peak. He
Yes,
was established
you're
as a
right.
romantic hero, romance. He's
यार,
doing all the
yes,
romances.
वो सब
but
वो 90s
in
में-
2010s
Yeah.
is when he actually उसने
Versatility की तरफ
Right.
गया
Give me an
और
example. Give me an
Ravan.
example. How is that experimental?
Experimental?
How?
I'm
How?
sure it is
What?
experimental. Are
so
you saying-
he is experimenting but उसमें
Yeah.
उसने कुछ ऐसा अपना वर्सेटैलिटी नहीं दिखाया एक्टिंग में
Not
बिल्कुल
दिखाया,
ऐसा
he
लगा
played,
है।
he
Picture
played
में
a South
पैसे-
Indian actor, like a South Indian professor, dude.
उससे ज्यादा स्टीरियोटिपिकल नहीं हो सकता था कि वो चाउमीन दही डाल के ऐसे खा रहा है
But
ठीक
bro,
है
how versatile is that? Have you seen anyone do that? What the hell, dude?
Please keep speaking.
Fan.
You are making our
What
point
the hell,
for
dude?
us.
See, Antariksh,
You
if
guys
you
don't
want to
get it.
win, let her speak.
Fan was a
guys
good
don't get it.
attempt, I
ठीक
would
है
say.
Okay, fan was a good attempt,
Yes.
concept wise.
Ravan was a good attempt. I know बहुत cliches थे, but
Yeah.
जो super hero vibe थी,
The
जो
technical
VFX
prowess.
था,
See,
वो सब अभी भी
2010s
technical
में, you know,
prowess.
so the 2010s वाला era was where he, I think he perfected or he उसने एक level set किया for the VFX.
Thank you.
And that's pretty much it
But-
for
No,
this
no,
decade.
Zero also.
No,
Banger.
I will
VFX.
not-
हाँ, that's what I'm saying.
But yeah,
also,
so that's
Dear
all.
Zindagi, what a
Oh,
great.
what a movie.
Bad film.
What are you
Yeah.
saying,
Are you
dude?
crazy?
Yeah. Dear
अब्बास
Zindagi
को
is a
अच्छी
bad
पिक्चर
film.
पसंद आ ही नहीं सकती भाई.
अरे भाई
कैसी
कैसी
बातें
बातें
कर
कर रहे हो
रहा है?
पहेली कितनी अच्छी है आपको पता
पहेली
नहीं
अच्छी
है
है भाई,
ऑस्कर
चक
नॉमिनेशन
दे, इंडिया अच्छी है, स्वदेश अच्छी है, सारी
भाई,
फिल्में
तो
मैंने
फिर
बताई।
ब्रो
जिंदगी
आधी तो
में
उसने
पता
वैसे
लग गया।
मल्टी स्टारर ही हैं
वो तो
2007 में
अच्छा है।
बट चलो
Decade
कोई
है,
बात
that's
नहीं
true.
Also, resurgence of the negative role with Dawn 2.
Oh, I forgot to mention Dawn in my dick.
एक सेकंड Dawn 2 is also
No,
the
Dawn 2 is
2010s
No, Dawn
2011,
2011,
I think.
To 2011.
Dawn is 2007.
2011. Yes.
ओह अच्छा
So Dawn 2
ऐसे
was
तो मैं
Dawn
भी
two banger.
रिसर्जेंस एक्चुअली डॉन में था उसका negative
Dawn 2,
character.
a much better
So
film.
that point goes
Also,
to me.
Dawn also the
Also-
worst remake of Dawn that it could be but okay
What?
Please, again, ये तो अब तुम लोग
But what?
बोलने के लिए कोई भी
No.
controversial
bro
statement
एक सेकंड नहीं
बोलो.
Dawn
You're talking about Dawn or Dawn 2?
Dawn was worse than Dawn 2 I feel Dawn 2 is a better film
I
than
mean-
Dawn
Yes, I agree.
So again, it's
For
about
this
has
episode.
it aged well.
If
अब
it was-
तुम देखोगे तो तुम्हें
Aged
लगेगा
well की तो मैं
कि
बात ही
अच्छी
नहीं
है,
कर रहा,
but
age-
At the time it was a hit
नहीं
and it was good.
Yeah.
Dawn
One
की
was a hit.
Dawn
Dawn?
को बहुत गालियां पड़ी थी जब
The
Dawn
first
का
Dawn?
रीमेक
नहीं,
हुआ
नहीं,
था
No,
Before
it
the
was a
release.
super hit,
Super
bro.
hit.
Yeah, क्या बात
Blockbuster.
कर
Bro,
रहे हैं?
And
नहीं
people appreciated the twist ending.
Yeah.
क्या बात कर
Yeah.
रहे हो भाई?
Before
Yeah.
the movie came out, Shah Rukh got hate. After the movie came out, people were right.
हाँ
Yeah,
मतलब
exactly.
इसको काफी हेट मिला था
Hate
एंड
मिला था क्योंकि
bro
वो
तो-
Dawn
yeah.
attempt
no
कर रहा है.
एक सेकंड ब्रो ये देयर आर सो मेनी jokes that शाहरुख himself has cracked that in the last year से उसने अवार्ड शोज में और ये सब में बोला है कि एक लेसन तो मैंने केबीसी में बोला है कि कभी आपकी पिक्चर रीमेक नहीं
हाँ,
करूंगा
क्योंकि उसको लोग अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए गाली देते हैं.
हाँ.
केबीसी में भी यही हुआ
Correct.
तो वो हगा केबीसी
नहीं बट उसको
वो
चांस
नहीं
ही
हगा,
नहीं
by the
था
way.
शुरू से
भाई
उसको
क्या
chance ही
बात
नहीं
कर
था.
रहे हो
Haga KBC during his time was still a rating
Yeah.
success.
Yeah.
Bro, कैसी बातें
कर
रहे हो यार?
See,
The
see.
thing
Was
is,
he-
अमिताभ
was
बच्चन
he-
की
yeah.
जगह कोई किसी को देखना कोई किसी को
Exactly.
नहीं देखना चाहता.
That
तो
is
वो
fine.
गलती नहीं है उसकी.
But
कि
He
उसने
did. He brought his
किया.
own
But-
spin to the show.
Yeah.
But it was not good.
But it
It
was.
was
I think
good.
it was good.
It was very
चलो
good.
ठीक है
It was-
हाँ मतलब ओपिनियंस
मतलब-
ओपिनियंस पे ही बात कर रहे हैं मुझे तो
शाहरुख
बिल्कुल
खान-
नहीं
And the
पसंद
ratings
था।
were still as
And
good as
Shahrukh
when
Khan
it was
being
when
the
Amitabh was there.
witty, humorous, smart self,
Yeah.
he cannot make anything boring. Even
True.
Panchhi Pass se there's a flop thi, but शाहरुख खान जब when in his element he's always
सो
hit.
शाहरुख की वेट और उस पे कोई तो क्वेश्चन है ही नहीं
तो मतलब-
बट मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ
वो
द
हक
शोज
सकता ही नहीं हो वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है क्योंकि अगर वो
हमेशा constipated रहे.
ये मेरे बारे में तो ऐसे कोई कभी नहीं बोलते.
if he's hosting he cannot screw it up. Also comedy attempt for the first time in this era with Chennai Express and Happy
First
New Year.
time? I'm
फर्स्ट ब्रो
sorry?
बाजीगर व्हाट द फक
बादशाह.
बाजीगर
I'm
सॉरी
sorry, Kal Ho Na Ho has a lot of
बादशाह
comedy.
But
Bro, बादशाह bro.
Yeah, Badshah also has a lot of comedy.
बादशाह.
बादशाह बहुत पहले हो गई, अब बीच में उसने कुछ नहीं
वो
किया.
तो भूल ही गया था, कॉमेडी आती है बीच में, मैं क्या करूं?
हाँ, बीच में वो
Om Shanti Om has a lot of comedy
in
also.
your era,
So,
he
yeah.
was just the romantic hero. You have
No,
to
Om
accept.
Shanti Om has a lot of comedy.
But
Karuna
it
has
is
a lot of
so
comedy.
romantically charged.
But it's
all in the
romance
pursuit of this woman.
and a little bit
Chak
of
De India
comedy.
was not romantic. Swades was
But
not
He
He
loves
romantic.
his he loves his hockey, dude.
Was not comedy, yes, but you're saying he was only the romantic hero.
But
Swades is not
Primarily,
romantic. Chak De
he was
India
a
is not
romantic
romantic.
hero. The most experimentation, the most new things he's tried is in this 2010 era.
Dude.
Go, hit or a
Okay,
miss.
again
जब
example.
तक है जान, he became an army officer who can defuse bombs.
यार, अब तो
So
पूरा-
experimental.
So experimental.
Did a movie called Army
So
in the
experimental,
90s.
man.
Bro, एक second. जब
So
तक है जान,
experimental.
जब तक है जान is the most romance that he's done in this decade.
I'm not denying, dude. I'm just saying he's
तो उसमें versatile
It's
कहाँ है
all
वो?
over, dude.
ये अंतरिक्ष में
all
लोग
over.
मरने के लिए
It's all over, bro.
हराओगे हमें।
Dude,
I said
he acted like a person can fall in love with Katrina Kaif and Anushka Sharma together.
No,
You know how
he acted
difficult that
like
is?
a person that जिसके
They fall in
दोनों
love
के
with-
प्यार में वो
Yeah, you know what I get? You know what I mean, man? जब तक है जान, dude. The last movie of Yash Chopra. Which other decade has the last movie of Yash Chopra? Guys, what the hell?
2010
Which other decade did Yash Chopra no longer be unalive?
Also,
Bro,
Dilwale.
मैं-
Dilwale
मैं-
was in 2010s. I know, not great, but a
Yeah.
full-on attempt at a full-on comedy.
Which other decade can convince you that Shah Rukh
Why,
Khan
then
and
why
Varun
was the
Dhawan are
movie
brothers?
called? Why the movie was called Dilwale if it was an out and out comedy?
Because Kajol और शाहरुख फिर से आ रहे
Yeah,
थे.
because jokes wale
And
was
we all-
accurate.
And we all know how hilarious Shah Rukh and Kajol are
Bro,
together as
पता
a
है मैं आप
comedy
लोग को
duo.
आप लोग को
Realize
पता है
that.
मैं आपकी मैंने भी लिस्ट पढ़ी सारी
बहुत सही
आपके पास कुछ नहीं है तो मैं आपको
bro, wait. We got plenty,
मैं आपको
man. We got Bhutnath Returns.
मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट देता हूँ टू डिफेंड योर डेकेड
No, we're fine.
and that
No, we're
point
fine.
is
No, we're fine.
that this is the decade where he had the best cameos.
क्या करूँ मैं? Cameo ले, गाड़ में ले तो गाड़ में जाओ.
But you guys literally don't have anything else.
We have Happy New Year, Dilwale.
I will stick,
भाग जीतू भाग.
अब चुप रहो.
What is that, dude?
I will stick to the point that
पता है भागी तो भाग क्या है एक शॉर्ट फिल्म है और उसमें भी इसका स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है.
हाँ तो अच्छी बात है.
नहीं, I
You know
will
how
stick.
selfless is Shah Rukh? I'm saying good things
You're
about him.
just making.
About him, man.
सिर्फ ruin कर रहे हो. भूतनाथ
नहीं.
रिटर्न्स बोलने की क्या जरूरत है?
भूतनाथ रिटर्न्स तो अमिताभ की फिल्म है और वो भी नहीं बताता इसके बारे में.
But I will stick to my point कि he tried the
Fan.
most new things in this decade with all his heart and efforts.
Absolutely.
Most of the things didn't work, let's be
Yeah,
honest. I'll accept that. But जो उसने stardom build की over the years, he put
Dude.
it to use, unlike other actors जिनको अपना वो मिल जाता है zone, तो अब वो उसी में खेलते रहते हैं, जैसे
Absolutely.
सलमान या आमिर.
Absolutely.
वही
Yeah,
करते
but the
रहते हैं.
audience rejected those
But he
experiments.
Regardless.
He tried.
This
I
is
agree. I'm
अगेन
not-
हाँ
100%.
इसके अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम उसके
उसके
वही तो ना यार. Then how would he get to?
उस लेवल पे पहुंच के एक्सपेरिमेंट करना
Yeah.
is what is commendable,
Exactly,
and that
dude.
is what makes a man.
Exactly, man.
Failure makes a man.
Yeah.
True. And you failed. He failed a lot in your decade.
Yeah.
yes.
That's fine. Failure builds character.
हाँ
then
तो
he-
इस
How do we
तो
know
मतलब
this?
इस एपिसोड में इस डेकेड को डिफेंड करने के फेलियर के बाद आपका कैरेक्टर अच्छा हो
पठान
जाएगा.
आया ना फिर.
एक
बात
bro,
लगा
एक
और
second.
दी ना
हमारी
सबकी
decade
बात लगा दी
में ही है ना.
लिसन गाइस लिसन आई विल टेल यू पठान को इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में मत रख
क्यों
नहीं
रखें?
सी आई टेल यू
क्योंकि तुम हार जाओगे इसलिए.
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं. पठान was just the craze of a superstar coming
Because
back.
he came back in that decade, no, but
क्रेज तो
No, it's
वो
the next decade,
सारी
actually.
you get it this decade.
It's the next decade, but
It's the
okay.
continuation, man.
So I
It's
would
the-
make the
make up your
argument-
mind. Is it my decade or is it not my decade? man?
I like he said, Pathan was the craze of us
A
watching.
superstar
I
coming
agree.
back.
मैं
हाँ.
But
इतनी
I
सारी
would make-
पिक्चरें क्यों flop
I
हुई
would
है?
make
Craze की
exactly
बात
मैं
है
वही
वो.
कह रहा हूँ कि the Pathan success can be attributed to his failures in the 2000s. In the 2010, sorry, my bad. Cut that out.
Don't
In
over
the
intellectualize
2010,
shit.
No, he's
हाँ.
right. See, I'll tell you.
the thing is
2000
Zero failed, fan
Bro,
failed,
2014
Happy New
के
Year
बाद
failed.
Happy New Year didn't fail.
No.
I mean,
2000
it wasn't as big as Faraz and his.
Also-
Happy New Year
Happy New Year
quite
was the
big.
biggest
He was
It
Farah
was
Khan
big,
movie.
but it was not as well received as Mahuna.
Wasn't as
and
well
also.
received critically, yes.
Also,
but
fan first half
box office
was
wise.
very good.
Fan
And it's
as a
shame.
premise.
It's a shame that the second half tanked, but the first half was
See,
really
again,
good.
I यहाँ पे I agree with Abbas. Fan as a premise, as an attempt, commendable, but as an execution, not that great.
The second half failed.
That,
That's
but
Yes.
that's what. But he's not. You know, he's not sticking to the same boring thing again and again and again
But
like he did in your two
अब यहाँ
decades.
पे तो कभी कुछ
He's
कभी
literally not in my decade. He's not doing that.
Yes, dude. DDL से fucking.
हाँ, अच्छा गिनना जरा.
दिल तो पागल है.
कहाँ है
दिल तो पागल
repetition?
है.
कहाँ है
दिल
repetition?
तो पागल है. DDL just said. I just
अरे
said.
यार ठीक है, 10 साल में 2 पिक्चरें तो रोमांटिक कर सकता है.
तो डर बाजीगर. Repetition.
I refuse to indulge in this.
Villain, dude.
It's not my
Villain, dude.
decade.
See, I'll
Please
tell you.
defend.
वो यही करता रहता है. कभी विलन बन जाता है, कभी रोमांटिक हीरो.
अभी तो तुम लोग ने पॉइंट्स लिए कि भाई डॉन 2 में वो फिर से विलन बना. हमको पॉइंट्स दो. अब तुम कह रहे हो.
Also रईस में उसने gangster
Bro,
role
what a player,
attend
man.
किया.
That was the
Bro.
best gangster
So I
depiction
will,
ever.
for 2010s, I will give if your argument is this is the decade where he took the most chances.
Risks, yes.
I
That's
give
the
you
only-
yes.
yeah.
But my
And
point
good
is that
cameos.
ultimately failed in the 90s and in the 2000s.
But ये तो
He
तुमने वही
succeeded.
बात कर दी ना कि
क्या?
जो सक्सेस दिखती है वही सक्सेस
नहीं,
होती
मैं
है.
तो-
ऐसा नहीं होता. जो इंसान
If-
सीखता है अपनी पर्सनालिटी बिल्ड करता है और फिर ही
हाँ,
comes
तो
back
इस
with
तो
a
इस
bang.
decade को हम
उसको
लोग the
बोलते हैं
learning
success.
curve
Okay,
कहते हैं.
let's point to comes back with a bang. So he's come back with a bang with 2 movies, Pathaan and Jawan. Donkey was not that much of a big
That's my
success.
favorite movie of that year, man.
How
पता है हमारे पास वीडियो एविडेंस है इस क्लेम का.
Hey, man. So, they'll have to go back and watch it. Who will do that? इतना
I will
कोई
put
नहीं
the
कर
link
रहा
in the
है.
description.
कोई नहीं करने वाला था काम. कोई नहीं करने वाला था काम.
do you think
हाँ, I
Pathaan-
love Donkey. What do you do?
Do you think Pathaan and Jawan, answer me objectively, are
Excellent movies,
Shah Rukh, 2 of Shah Rukh's best films?
Yes.
Come on, Antariksh.
Come on, be honest.
Antariksh, come on. At least
Maybe
she's
be
being
honest.
honest.
Bro, yeah, at least she's honest. Like that's
What
what
the
I'm
hell,
saying. Let her speak when it comes to your decade.
Cute, dude. Be just say it.
Okay, why are they the best, Antariksh? Of Shah Rukh's
they each
career.
earned more than 1,000
Ah,
crores,
right, okay.
dude.
इतना
1,000
सिखावट और रिस्क और आर्टिस्टिक उसके बाद
crores.
बोल रहे हो
Another point.
ये ले
अगर
पैसा
1,000 करोड़ कमा रही है कोई मूवी, कुछ तो होगा
Bro,
picture में.
another point
कुछ
to
तो होगा
your,
picture में.
another point to their decade. This decade was the decade where he finally got the national award.
For Jawan, baby. For Jawan? Was it for Jawan?
Jawan.
For Jawan, baby.
Yeah, now defend that.
I'm defending it, dude.
Also, he gave
National award.
some great interviews in my
Bro,
decade.
Jawan-
Oh,
Oh.
if that is the
They're the most awesome.
The AIB,
AIB
podcast, the
best.
Coffee with Karan
the-
started in the 2000s.
David
He has his
Letterman.
best,
No,
interviews
the
in
best Shah Rukh-
2000s.
The
The
wittiest.
best Shah Rukh one is the Alia Bhatt interview of Karan.
Also, I will tout the Bats of Bollywood success a little bit.
Oh,
to Shah Rukh
please,
also.
please.
Yes! ये तो सोचा ही नहीं हुआ है. That's why I love it, dude.
उसका ही production.
ये तो सोचा ही. Bad Bollywood takes the cake in so many ways. In so many
भाई
ways.
इतना डेस्परेट भी मत बनो यार.
क्या
ठीक है.
desperate क्या? अब बनाया तो बनाया भाई.
इससे
Desperate तो snail था trying to get 2001, 2002 in it.
वो हमारा कल का डिस्कशन था बट एनीवे इससे बेटर तो आप कैमियोज वाला पॉइंट ले लेते भाई.
भाई cameos आए दिल मुश्किल. What a cameo.
Banger cameo.
What a cameo.
पर ब्रह्मास्त्र.
Hey, luck by chance.
I
था
mean,
भाई.
2009, which is my
Okay, fuck
decade.
it. horrible cameo. Yuck. Hate it. Tubelight. Good cameo, I would say.
He was Lal Singh Chaddha also he had a cameo.
Lal Singh Chaddha also.
Anchada, yeah, that's actually.
horror भी बन के आया.
Brahmastra. Good cameo.
That was
Nah,
good.
good
That was
cameo.
only good
The
thing about
the movie.
Movie.
Yeah.
नहीं, I still think
Hey,
उसके
अबे
VFX
कैंडे.
सही थे.
ऐसा है कि
But
But what
2010
was his name in Brahmastra? Mohan
Mohan
Bhargava,
Bhagwat,
which
Yeah,
is
correct.
from Swadesh.
Swadesh.
Yeah,
But one irritating thing that he picked in the 2010s was the
Oh yeah, that's true. I don't know why he's doing that.
One irritating thing at the 90s. Swag मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ, ठीक है? बोल मत.
bro. But in one of the interviews, I think Shah Rukh was like, you know, there is literally not a single point where I'm doing this. ठीक है?
Yeah, of course.
ये रहा, बस
Yeah,
बना
yeah.
ही दिया लोगों ने,
Yeah.
and it just caught on
Yeah.
with everybody.
Also the हकला शाहरुख मीम के
Yeah, decade of Hakla Shah Rukh.
Bro, अच्छा okay, tell me the सारे decade से iconic चीजें क्या क्या हैं? Like what is the most top 5 iconic things in the 2000s?
the Wankhede
Shah Rukh?
fight.
Like the Shah Rukh iconic things films.
The
Wankhede
Wankhede
fight, yes.
fight.
अरे नहीं.
Aryan Khan arrest.
अबे फिल्मों की बात कर रहे हैं, जीवन की बात
You
नहीं कर
said
रहे
top 5 greatest things.
I mean, if you
I-
talk about most iconic things, like in pop culture, yeah.
Movies, you mean. From your it was
Oh,
DDLJ.
from my
Bro, there are so many.
from mine was
DDLJ.
Tukur was pretty iconic.
No way.
What?
It was not.
क्या है ये?
2000 में I would say
song.
70 मिनट
Tuku
वाली
Tuku the
स्पीच
song.
जो है वो
Yes, 70
became a
minute.
part of pop
Yeah.
culture, right?
Yes, that's true.
Then Swades, the title song of
Light aa gayi aunty.
Swades. That and title song of Swades is played everywhere.
Also,
Republic
Shah
Day,
Rukh is-
Independence
कौन
Day.
सा?
ये
जो देश है मेरा स्वदेश
ठीक है।
है
Pam, pam, pam.
ओम शांति ओम का पिक्चर अभी
बाकी है मेरे दोस्त
ये
यस
तीन
आई
हो
एग्री
गए।
आई एग्री
फिर
ये तो बिल्कुल अनफेयर फाइट है हमारे हाथ में डंडे पकड़ा दिए और उसको चाकू दे दिया है
कीर्ति का क्या सीन है मैं आपको बता कीर्ति पता है नॉर्मली बाकी एपिसोड्स में आप देखो ना तो कीर्ति बड़ी चुपचाप अपने पॉइंट पे बोलने वाला और बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया वन लाइनर्स मारती है यहाँ पे इधर अब्बास पैरेलली गिनवा रहा है अरे हाँ ये भी तो था अरे ये भी तो मैं भी कर कि कौन बोल किसको रिस्पॉन्ड करना है
दर्द डिस्को पिनेकल ऑफ मेल आइटम सॉन्ग्स
दर्द डिस्को वाज एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट ओम शांति ओम को अगर हमने काउंट करना है द फर्स्ट टाइम वो 6 पैक एब्स बना के
8 pack abs
8 pack
actually.
abs.
8
Correct.
pack
8,
was
15 pack.
Gajini, 6 pack was Shahrukh.
Okay.
मेरे room
And you know
में-
how I remember this because आज तक का या पता नहीं किसी कैसे न्यूज का वो था कि शाहरुख को बॉडी बनाने में आमिर ने दी मात शाहरुख लाए 6 पैक तो आमिर लाए 8 पैक का दहला गजनी के साथ
पूरी
मेरे room में
हेडलाइन ही
poster
याद है
था।
इसको
भाई
पूरी।
बिकॉज आई यूज्ड वो वाला टाइम है जब हर थर्सडे दूध पिलाना होता था और कोई एक मूर्ति रैंडमली दूध पी रही होती
हाँ,
थी
हाँ, हाँ।
दैट टाइम ऑफ इंडियन टेलीविजन जर्नलिज्म उस टाइम का
मेरे रूम में पोस्टर था शाहरुख खान का दर्द डिस्को का जिसमें उसके ऊपर पानी फेंकते हैं तो फिर
हाँ वो ऐसे ऐसे खड़ा दैट्स द फर्स्ट एंड उसके शाहरुख ने वन ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज में बोला था कि दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट टाइम दैट यू आर सीइंग मी शर्टलेस विद दिस बॉडी बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत लगती है बॉडी बनाने में
वो तो है
उन्होंने ओम शांति ओम सीरीज की नोटबुक्स निकाली थी नवनीत ने और उसमें डाइट प्लान था शाहरुख खान का
Yeah, I remember this. The diet plan went viral. It was all over.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? I
I
don't
saw it in
remember
newspapers and the internet, everything, dude. Also, he was in our decade.
Yeah.
He that went viral. The tararara, tararara, ra ra ra.
Okay, okay, अंतरिक्ष,
पता है
yeah,
वो वाला 2 साल ना हमने आपको बस ऐसे ही दिए हैं एक्चुअल में वो आपका डेकेड नहीं
Then
है
we're using it. Then we're using it.
ठीक है
जब हैरी मेट सेजल अनुष्का शर्मा
Yeah, what about it?
iconic performance.
एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत तुम नहीं जानते
Yeah,
आई
correct.
एग्री यस आई एग्री
ऐ दिल है मुश्किल है.
You mean एक चुटकी सिंदूर की ताकत? Yeah, that's
की
true.
कीमत बड़ों की
कीमत, yeah.
This is also the Pathan. This thing he got some iconic scenes of Salman Shah Rukh together. Rare.
The Shahrukh Salman patch up was this my decade
Yeah.
No, it was in the 2000s.
no
Patch up was
the
not times, bro.
fight the fight
Fight
was in 2000
क्या बात कर
अरे
रहा है?
बाबा सिद्दीकी की इफ्तार पार्टी कब थी?
वो तो 10 के बाद भाई 7 में तो कटरीना इंडस्ट्री में ही आई है
recent है, recent।
7 में नहीं उससे बूम में आई थी वो मुझे साल नहीं
तो
याद
तभी नहीं count
बट
करो।
एनीवे डूड 90s में ऑब्वियसली वी हैव बाजीगर ठीक है द क्लासिक द आइकॉनिक
हार के जीतने वाले
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं ठीक है डर किरण तू हाँ कर तू ना कर भाई इतना आइकॉनिक रणवीर सिंह पहुंच गया एब्स में गाने के लिए लॉकडाउन में ऐसे गा रहा है नंगा होके ठीक है
क्या
फिर
क्या
उस
ये क्या क्या?
वो जो song
ब्रो ही रिक्रिएटेड द डर सॉन्ग नो
मेरे सामने,
मैं-
वो वाला song recreate
Yeah.
किया था
Oh, I didn't know this.
yeah
shirt पहन
so Ranveer Singh has done 2 of these things like for 2 different actors one was
And
with
Hrithik.
Hrithik जब वो सिग्नल पे
Krish.
जाके क्रिश
हाँ.
किया था एंड वन वाज दिस ठीक है सो वी ऑब्वियसली वी हैव बाजीगर देन वी हैव डर कभी हाँ कभी ना का ट्रम्पेट एंड दैट फैशन स्टेटमेंट वेंट रियली वायरल विद द टोपी एंड द नियॉन थिंग ठीक है फिर उसके बाद कभी ना हाँ ये रहा ब्रो मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे हैज टू बी वन ऑफ द पीक शाहरुख मोमेंट्स ठीक है
That's a Rakhi moment.
अरे मतलब
agreed. Agreed.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत कब बोलता है शाहरुख ओम शांति
चलो चलो ठीक है.
In my decade, he had "My name is Khan and I'm not a terrorist." That's an
Oh, yes,
iconic.
yes,
line.
yes,
Iconic.
that's
yeah.
iconic. That's it. Also, the reason why we won't ever be seeing Munna Bhai 3, My Name is Khan.
Yeah, because
Because
similar
it was
plots.
based around the same.
So it was based on the same.
Also, Raju
plot.
Hirani recycled a lot of jokes
Donkey.
in Donkey. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, it
Good
was a
only
very बहुत ही इंस्पायर्ड भी था माय नेम इज खान में क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी खुद पर्सनली भी वीजा प्रॉब्लम से
Visa
इतने
problem
फेस
से
कर
गुजर
रहा
रहा
था
है, हाँ.
Yeah, Islamophobia is your decade.
Oh yeah, dude. At the peak. ठीक है फिर उसके बाद ब्रो DDLJ सिंगल
कितना
हैंडेडली
DDLJ
भाई मैं तो भी करण अर्जुन पे ही था.
अच्छा ठीक है.
DDLJ takes the cake. I think
टिंग टिंग टिंग
30 years 30 years में सबसे
दिया,
आइकॉनिक
दिया
चीज
तुम्हें, दिया.
यही है. फिर उसके बाद दिल तो
DDLJ
हमें प्यार एक बार
extremely-
होता है.
Bro, दिल
कुछ
तो
कुछ होता
पागल है
है.
ब्रो.
दिल
भाई
तो पागल है का क्या आइकॉनिक
दिल
है?
दिल ब्रो दिल तो पागल है. अब
वो डांस ऑफ वाला आइकॉनिक है.
डांस ऑफ आइकॉनिक है.
गाने
और
iconic है.
गाने but दिल तो पागल है हैज टू बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एल्बम.
डायलॉग ही है ना,
और
कोई तो
पता है
डायलॉग भी होगा.
आप लोगों ने
हाँ.
आप लोग इतना चिल्लाना शुरू हो गए कि आप
राहुल
लोग
नाम तो सुना होगा. इस
पता
तो
है
पागल है.
आप लोग
Oh, no, it's-
आप लोग इतना चिल्लाना स्टार्ट हो गए कि आप लोग मुझे कुछ कुछ होता है तक आने ही नहीं दिए और बादशाह तक आने ही नहीं दिए. 97 पे जब मैं 90 परदेश तक नहीं बोला मैंने.
तूने बोला भाई
परदेश बोला मैंने. चलो ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद नहीं बोलने दिया आपने लोगों ने मेरे को. बट या 98 हैड कुछ कुछ होता है. प्यार दोस्ती है जिसका मैंने डायलॉग स्टार्ट किया था. 99 हैड बादशाह.
बादशाह was a flop when it came out.
बट इट्स आई थिंक द बेस्ट कॉमेडी.
बट अभी तूने जो
ज्यादा,
आइकॉनिक चीजें
ज्यादा.
गिनाई हैं उसके
No,
मुकाबले
Badshah's
में
great.
बादशाह is
the
Bro,
best comedy.
Bro, Badshah is the best comedy film that Shah Rukh has done.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Give me a better.
I think Chennai Express is the best comedy.
Chennai Express is
wow, okay.
Yes. Chennai Express is the greatest.
I am not defend.
भाई अब आपके हाथ में है, आपने सुन लिया.
मैं
अब
decade
आपको
नहीं
वोट
defend
करना
कर रही
है.
हूँ. मैं genuinely believe
Oh, really?
करती हूँ.
मैं तो
बादशाह और
decade
चेन्नई
में
एक्सप्रेस.
कम से कम 20 बार जाके देखे थिएटर.
Bro, but
Badshah
that's a
too.
you problem.
No, that describes how crazy a Shah Rukh fan you are. That does
Yeah.
not make it a good
No,
film.
Chennai Express is funny, guys.
It's cringe.
पता है in one of the previous episodes Antariksh has literally ranted against Chennai Express for like 5-10 minutes straight.
Oh, that makes sense.
We'll talk about that.
You can watch the episode again.
But yeah, I still feel 90s is more iconic than 2010s and 2000s combined.
I'm surprised.
Combined.
I'll tell you what.
And
okay?
अगर दिल पे हाथ रख के ऑब्जेक्टिवली अगर कोई इस क्लेम को गलत बोल सके तो बात करें मुझसे.
See, I'll tell you
ठीक
what.
है.
I'll tell you what.
गलत है, गलत है.
I'll tell you what. Abbas Nehal Kirti. In all honesty, I know Kirti and I cannot win this again.
See, I said 25. अच्छा 1 घंटा लग गया.
So the thing is, it is what it is, dude.
Yeah, it is what it
Okay,
is. Fair.
So I got a shit deal here. I did the best with it. We did the best
And
with
you
it
know
for
the funniest
Kirti.
part to the audience.
We killed it.
Dude, the audience will be hilarious. if the
नहीं
audience
नहीं
agrees
I'm
with Kirti.
telling you this was Antariksh's idea कि मैं लेता हूँ third decade. And
bro.
ये jokes मारने थे उसको.
मेरे को क्या टेंशन है भाई?
मेरे को भी फंसा दिया.
Bro, मेरे को क्या टेंशन? Everyone knows 90s
Yeah,
are
yeah.
good films. यार.
yeah, of course.
Nobody's
Thanks,
debating
bro
that.
agreeing that
हाँ,
90s
bro.
are the best films.
अरे, of
So
course.
you think 90s? Let's vote.
Oh,
and
I
decide the winner.
actually I think 2000.
Yeah, I also
Yeah.
think
To
2000.
90s.
Sorry.
No, then I
90s.
think 90s.
See, I will never disagree with the fact that Shah Rukh reached peak stardom, and like if you compare it with 90s 2000, I think it's his stardom always grew. But I think the strongest foundation, the strongest film lineup that he has, again, Chak De India, Swades, I think is Shah Rukh's best work ever. I will never doubt that. But as a decade, better films, better performances, and more likeliness of the person. I don't know if I'm choosing the right word.
Likability.
Likability. I think 90s and more iconic pop culture references जो आज grow होते बहुत बड़ी बन गई हैं. All of them I think come from the 90s.
तुम लंबा सेंटेंस बोलोगे तो जीतोगे नहीं.
यार तुम
बात सुनो.
तुम मेरे
Pop
सेंटेंस पे
culture
कमेंट मत करो. तुम मुझे आंसर दो.
क्योंकि
culture
सारे
references, I would say-
क्लासिक्स rewatchable classics is
कैसे?
Gen Z जो है ना, they are more aware of Shah Rukh's 2000s work than
I
they are
agree.
with-
But that's just
agree.
because
Which is-
age.
Yeah, just because
but
age.
which is why
Abbas, you're more aware of Amitabh Bachchan's younger
how
days
do
now.
you-
What do
yeah,
you do?
yeah.
But-
That is why the pop culture chap of 2000s is more, because Gen Z is the most online generation. They are the ones making the
मैं
memes
कह रहा
and
हूँ,
the
and
jokes.
yet the 90s is
I agree.
90s is more
has
prevalent.
has its place, but I think the 2000s is where the work will stand out the most when we
Yeah, the
look back
K3G, the Chak De, the Swades.
So DDLJ में उसने NRI audience को अपने आप को introduce करवाया, but with K3G he totally like cemented the one
K3G
over
is the cult
2000s.
status for the
हाँ,
ABCDs
the
also.
brown children in America,
Yeah,
all
yeah.
they refer to K3G more than DDLJ.
नहीं
I
see
feel.
मैं ये
DDLJ is their elder sister and
But I have
parents
to
movie.
give you दैट कि ग्लोबली कुछ होता है को लोग ज्यादा जानते हैं इवन
केतली
मोर
से
देन
ज्यादा?
हाँ यस
नहीं यार,
Bro,
I
कुछ
don't
मतलब
think
आई
so.
हैव ट्रैवल्ड जितना भी
And I-
वहाँ पे लोग जैसे
Senorita
एशिया
तो
में
India से है।
नहीं सेनोरिटा नहीं कुछ होता है
ब्रो मैं
They
आपको
know
कह
कुछ
रहा हूँ
होता
आई
है,
थिंक
राहुल अंजलि,
हम
राहुल
लोग
अंजलि।
अगर हम लोग बाई इयर्स जा रहे
Bali
बाई
and
इयर्स
all.
जा रहे हैं ना शाहरुख ने 90s में हर साल में कम से कम एक या दो
he was
बैंगर्स
young,
दिए
he
हैं
was doing the most number of movies then.
मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ मूवीज आई थिंक उसकी 2000s में है
नहीं. He became much more choosy about the projects he was doing, but he did good.
No, quantities wise, I think 2010.
क्वांटिटी इज
No,
2000s
bro.
इज मोर
भाई 90s में उसने बहुत चूतिया पिक्चरें की हैं, गुड्डू
But उसके
फुड्डू,
अंदर most-
इंग्लिश बाबू,
कई-
देसी
कई
में,
जगहों पे उसके
ये वो
सिर्फ
हम
extended
तुम्हारे हैं
cameos
हम
types
तुम्हारे
हैं।
सनम, I don't know whether it was
हम तुम्हारे हैं
2000 or
सनम
90.
में भी
Is
वैसे-
my decade?
इज आई थिंक
I think it's your decade, yeah.
योर डेकेड या
Okay,
वो
fine.
actually मुझे लगता है शूट तुम्हारे
मुझे
decade में
नहीं मुझे
release
मुझे
है।
एक्चुअली
Yeah,
लगता है कि 2000s में उसने बहुत सारी ऐसी
2002.
रैंडम फिल्म्स करी हैं जो कि उसने 90s में नहीं करी हैं which
भाई
is-
90s में उसने कोयला वेला वो टाइप की पिक्चरें
कोयला
करी
बहुत
हैं।
अच्छी movie
राम
है।
जाने त्रिमूर्ति,
मैं वही कह रहा
हाँ,
हूँ
राम
ओ
जाने
डार्लिंग
वाली-
ये
भाई,
है
लेकिन जब
इंडिया.
जिस साल उसने ये पिक्चरें करी हैं उसी साल फिर उसने डर और बाजीगर भी दी है ना यार।
हाँ, but
In defense,
तो थोड़ा सा हिट रेट उसका 90s में is hit and miss. In 2000s it's mostly bangers.
फिर भी दिल
I think the other way.
थी
It's
No.
2000.
2000.
It's 2000. फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी 2000.
underappreciated.
फिर भी
classic, I would
is
say.
the year
Also
2000.
exactly 2000.
Yeah.
Also I think one of the very good albums. फिर भी दिल
Excellent
हिंदुस्तानी.
albums.
Yeah.
भाई फिर भी दिल
हाँ।
2000 में उसकी 6 पिक्चरें आई थी. फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी, हेराम, जोश, हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा,
my God.
मोहब्बतें,
That's what I'm saying.
गजगामिनी. He
But
had
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा was a cameo.
beginning of 2000s is that. As the 2000s
And
go along,
Gajagaami.
he becomes very choosy about the films that he
Also, next year he had 1-2 का फोन and Asoka was also.
2004 क्या
Ashoka
साल
was
है?
very bad by the way.
Bad,
2004 मैं हूं ना,
I mean,
वीर ज़ारा
it's
स्वदेश.
He had a cameo in Satya also.
Satya, yes. Cameo.
He sang. He was in the song "कर दे मुश्किल जीना" from the
यार
movie Shakti.
मैं लिटरली अभी
काल में भी तो
काल में हम तुम करे
Down with the car.
With the blonde hair by mouth.
तू ही दीवाना.
He's in Crazy 4 also apparently.
Bro, yeah,
वो special
of
appearance.
course. Item number.
Which one?
Yeah. Chunna na 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 na
Crazy
मैं थिएटर देखने गई थी
Bro,
फालतू
Crazy
मूवी
4
शाहरुख
banger,
के
मैं
लिए
भी मैं ऋतिक के लिए गया था बट ठीक है
यार मैं भी थिएटर
But
में
I-
गया था.
but I-
But बकवास पिक्चर थी.
Bro, no,
तेरे को अच्छी लगी थी?
I feel Crazy was
What a horrible movie.
I did like
मुझे बहुत मजा आया
Pop
Oh,
culture,
thank God you don't like
pop
it.
culture big thing is दिल दा मामला, जो एंट्री वाला सीन है उसका.
ब्रो इस पे इतने मीम्स देख लिए ना मैंने। वो अभी रिसेंटली लास्ट ईयर उठा है
हाँ,
लास्ट
हाँ,
ईयर
yeah,
बहुत
yeah,
उठा है
yeah.
वो कि
थोड़ा सा
वो- हाँ बट अगेन मैं पता है हमने आपकी भी लिस्ट पूरी तरीके से हमने करी नहीं
हाँ हाँ.
अरे हो गया.
देखी जाए अरे नाउ दैट वी आर अब देखो 1 घंटा 15 मिनट हो गए
We
हैं
did not speak about कभी अलविदा ना कहना, which was also like
mouse है ना, mouse है.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना again I think people didn't understand
yeah, it was ahead of its
They
time.
were-
for sure
it was not a bad
for
film
sure
Yeah.
for sure आई थिंक इनफिडेलिटी को लेके अभी भी हमारी कंट्री
चलते चलते की बात नहीं करी हमने, वो भी एक अच्छी पिक्चर
चलते चलते बहुत ही क्यूट मूवी है
हाँ.
also again
But
very
again,
rare
but
what
at-
happens
but
after
after marriage,
happily ever
yeah.
after
बट इजंट इट लाइक अ टॉक्सिक फिल्म नो
I mean, I haven't seen it in a long time. It must.
it's a very abusive sort of मतलब
but
like verbal and
mutually-
emotional abuse
mutually abusive so then it
नहीं
shows
it's
कि
no it's not mutually abusive Shahrukh is playing that character and that's why
Dude, there's
Shahrukh towards the end goes to apologize and all of that
Yeah, but in Chalte Chalte there's an iconic one take scene where he's like changing clothes, talking to the contractor,
हाँ, हाँ,
or
हाँ.
talking to the client.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
yeah,
talking about?
मुझे
At the
चलते
truck
चलते
shop.
वो सीन बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब वो 1 सेकंड पहले उसको जूते साइड पर रखने के लिए टॉन्ट मारती है एंड इज लाइक नहीं रखूंगा मैं यही रखूंगा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एंड फिर वो उसी पे गिर जाता है
But
चूतिया
it's like कुछ होता है मैं जब वो अपनी पैंट भूल जाता है डांटते
हाँ कुछ होता है
दिल तो
अगेन
पागल है ना?
90s जस्ट
दिल तो पागल है वो.
दिल तो पागल हो, ट्रायल रूम में जाके वापस
वो
चला.
भी होता है दिल तो
पागल है,
कुछ कुछ होता है मैं वो होता है
अच्छा, कितनी पैंट भूलता है शाहरुख.
पापा अपनी पैंट तो पहन लो
Oh, yeah, Chalte Chalte में भी वो पैंट almost भूल ही जाता है. I think in changing on a scene, the one take वाला
I
scene.
think that's a Shahrukh thing.
दैट्स अ शाहरुख थिंग
Alright. Alright, so how are we coming to a conclusion here?
We
यार
should
आप
put a-
लोगों ने तो बोल दिया ना
We should
2000
put a
तीनों
vote,
ने
no. We should put a community.
So we should absolutely. What do you
Yeah.
guys think?
Yeah,
Which
yeah.
are his favorite, like his best movies, and
Best
which
decade.
and which decade do those movies fall in? So that
2000 में आई थिंक
decade would
उसका
be
मोस्ट आइकॉनिक
his
वुड बी
greatest decade?
मोहब्बतें पहले साल में 2001 में would be कभी खुशी कभी गम.
जोश भी तो है भाई,
obviously.
ईगल गैंग, बिच्छू गैंग.
हाँ.
क्या कर रहा है
2002
यार?
देवदास of
हैं?
course. 3 is कलो ना हो. 4 is मैं हूँ ना. वीर ज़ारा
ज़रा
स्वदेश.
स्वदेश.
What the fuck 2004 माँ की आँख bro.
2005 is पहेली.
Also, Veer Zara is so
6 is Dawn. 7 is चक दे and ओम शांति ओम.
Yeah.
8 में कुछ नहीं है, रब ने बना दिया है बट लाइक ओके.
मान लो हार
9 में कुछ नहीं है.
बिल्लू है, बिल्लू नहीं.
बिल्लू.
बिल्लू के में भी कितनी कंट्रोवर्सी.
नहीं ब्रो, आई थिंक 2000s and 90s are very neck to neck. I agree.
अभी भी माना नहीं भाई.
I will never agree that
Take
2000s
what you're getting, take it.
2000s was I see 2000s very neck to neck, but I still feel 90s.
So
was
see,
better.
there is something to be said about the 90s having that extra level of nostalgia just because they are a little older. And that was also Shah Rukh's like the years
Like
that made him.
you actually see
So
the
that- all
innocence in that act.
Yeah, so
in,
all
in,
that
in,
matters.
in,
Weird
in the
because
acting.
Technically, age-wise, if you see, I should be battling for the 90s because I
Yeah.
was around for those times, and
Sure.
he should be battling for the 2000s.
Sure, yeah,
but
yeah,
it's
right.
the other way
Okay, we
around.
mix it up here.
It's okay, man. I shouldn't be battling. I 2010, dude.
We are just
Yeah,
battling
What are you talking about, man?
for no reason.
ओ ब्रो, आज मैंने वही पजामा पहना जिसपे पिछली बार बहुत ट्रोल हुआ था मैं.
हाँ.
Oh, congratulations, guys. Please troll. He's asking for it.
ऐसे यार मतलब ट्रोल क्यों कर रहे हैं लोग पैजामे में?
अरे नहीं, उस दिन पता है क्या, उस दिन आई थिंक मैं सन ऑफ सरदार भी डिफेंड कर रहा था.
Oh, अच्छा. That's,
not a good one.
तो वो I think
the one way.
तो वो
It blend into each other, yeah,
तो वो
correct.
कंबाइन हो गया कि
तो मैं-
एक तो
तो-
चूतिया पिक्चर में एक क्या घटिया चीज पहन के आता है.
Yeah.
उस सिचुएशन में मैं डिफेंड नहीं कर सकते तो
So let us know what you guys thought of our discussion firstly, and which decade you would say is the best Shah Rukh decade. What do you think of this format? I think this is kind of fun if we can continue doing this debate series in a way.
Yeah, we can do one for Amir के साथ
Doesn't
में.
have, see, doesn't have to be a decade debate,
हाँ,
right?
पहले
It
भी
can
कर
be
सकते
a
हैं.
debate.
हमने हॉल ऑफ फेम तो किया ही था, ऋतिक का हॉल ऑफ फेम जो हमने किया था.
सकते हैं,
ऋतिक का कहते हैं, Amir also we did ना, we did tier list
Tier
list.
Yeah,
for 2000 onwards.
Yeah.
सालू भाई का करते हैं.
All bangers, bro. There is no
true,
tier
yeah.
list for
There is
Salman
no-
bhai.
everything
It's
is
all
amazing.
मुझे मतलब आप जो भी कहो, मुझे सलमान का एक स्टेटमेंट हमेशा से दुनिया का सबसे बैड स्टेटमेंट लगेगा when he said कि अगर आप 125 करोड़ कमाई हुई फिल्म को फ्लॉप बोल रहे हैं तो मैं चाहूंगा भगवान ऐसी फ्लॉप सबको दे.
Alright, guys, that brings us to the end of this amazing episode of our conversation. Do let us know what you think Shah Rukh's best decade is.
Yes.
What his best films are, what his best moments are. All of that we'll be interested in reading. And
I think
which of us made the best points today? Who do you agree with the most?
ब्रो आई
वैसे-
पता है, यू नो आई फील हम में से किसी ने बेस्ट पॉइंट्स तो दिए ही नहीं है.
हमने
हम बस
दिए।
हम
दूसरे
बस
से झगड़
हम बस ये कर रहे थे कि
तू ऐसा-
तू क्या समझता, तू क्या करता है जो तू नहीं,
I think Kirti and I made the best points.
You-
But
we
then
should-
they were for not.
We should end like this. Happy birthday to you.
Oh yeah, dude.
Happy birthday.
Like Rani sings in.
Mr. President.
No, like Rani sings
Rani,
in
हाँ.
K3G. Happy birthday to you.
अरे उसमें भी तो वो गाती है ओम कपूर के लिए.
हाँ?
ओम शांति ओम.
ओम शांति ओम
Oh,
में.
yeah, correct. कौन गाता है उसकी?
रानी ही गाती
रानी
है.
गाती है, ओम शांति ओम
Yeah,
में.
that was the callback, no?
Oh, yes. Okay, got it. Nice.
Anyway, happy birthday SRK. We love you.
Yes.
Love you.
Yes,
It's okay, bhai.
and we'll continue the ass licking
Yeah.
because
Please
we love
keep
you.
Please keep the checks. Sending the checks.
Yes,
Salman Asliking episode coming soon as well.
let's keep the myth going. Let's
Amir
keep
हो
the
रहा है, मम्मी,
perception
अमीर।
going.
Correct.
But
Oh wait, call आया. Hey, Shahrukh.
अरे,
Hello.
यार आज मैं
Yeah,
थोड़ा लेट हो जाऊंगा
पैसे
पार्टी
भेज
में.
देना, पैसे भेज देना. Don't worry. It's all good. Okay. Cut.
शूट करके
Cut करो यार. Cut करो यार.
पूजा को बोलो इनवॉइस क्लियर कर दे. बाकी हम लोग.
आर्यन को बोलो ड्रिंक हम बाद में कर लेंगे. गाना मार लेंगे.
बट सी अभी ये शाहरुख का एपिसोड था तो हम लोग थोड़ा इमोशनल ज्यादा हो गए और प्रैक्टिकल कम हुए. बट आई होप वी इफ यू लाइक द एपिसोड, इफ यू लाइक द सीरीज, वील try to do more
More
of
stars.
these.
Can I
Yes.
just say?
Yeah.
Okay, like sometimes Snehal and I get this a lot. Abbas somehow is very disciplined and does not get this. That
Over-talking.
Snehal and I get this over talking thing
हाँ.
in multiple episodes. So yes, we hear you. We are
Yes.
trying to be better.
Yes,
But the thing is, we get very passionate.
अभी इसकी
Okay.
बॉबी वाली स्टोरी में तूने 4 बार ही ओवर टॉक किया उसके. तो बॉबी ने देखा and then what is
भाई अब जोक नहीं मारेंगे तो कल बोरिंग पॉडकास्ट रहेगा भाई.
सी हाँ एग्जैक्टली हम
क्या
लोग
करेंगे
का क्या
भाई?
है ना कि दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस
can't
कि
help
अगर
it.
हम लोग इफ वन ऑफ अस इज नॉट इन टाउन तो हम लोग बाहर से नहीं करते एपिसोड क्योंकि ऑनलाइन फिर वो उतना टाइमिंग नहीं आ पाता
हाँ करेक्ट फिर और ओवर
फिर और फिर आप बोलोगे
तो
अरे
बोलेगा.
ठीक है तो एक थोड़ा सीन है
bear with it and fuck you. No, sorry.
अभी मेरे बोलते लाइक व्हाइल वी आर अपोलोजाइजिंग फॉर द फैक्ट ही इज लाइक कंप्लीट नहीं करने दे रहा है
See you next week. Bye bye. See you.
Bye.
बाय